What's poppin', chat? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Let's get it started slowly. W. Aldin popping in the chat already. Give me a moment, chat. Let me get organized. Turn down the music a little. You know the vibes. Let me drop some bombs. Welcome to the stream again, everybody. It's always a little startup, chat. It's always a little organizational startup on this side. But that's all good. Alright, we got the chat. What's up, Mr. Jacob? Welcome to the stream, man. It's your show today, man. After today, you're gonna have to get your changes in. And we're gonna get you focused, looking in the right direction, chat. Let's all learn a little bit today of the session with Jacob. That's for in about a half an hour. Let me get organized on stream first. We will find you. We will find you. What's poppin', Andre? Welcome to the stream, my South African brother. Welcome to the stream, chat. Chat, let me go over a few things first. And let me make sure I try not to be on the spitty vibes today, chat. Let's wait a few minutes, let everyone come in. You know the vibes, Dollar Vibe Club, chat. And I've decided just to do a little intro. So let me first go back full screen, chat. Alright, let's hope that was the first and only spitty game, chat. Okay, so let's lock in. Let's wait till we get to double digits on the stream. We're almost there, chat. The mafia. Homie with the mafia out there. Well, I'll be nice to you today. I'll be nice to you, Jacob, but I'm keeping it raw. I decided I'm gonna have a conversation with you after on stream the same way I would with my nephew. Be careful now, Jacob. Aldin's Bosnian. They got some shit running out there as well. Chat. You know the vibes, man. Let me pop some Red Bull. Red Bull, Day 3. We're still looking for that sponsorship, man. Get it done. Vibe coders are the future of streaming, chat. W Hunter, welcome to the stream, homie. We're just trying to sign that Red Bull deal. Chat, you know the vibes. I don't want to put it in my face, but there we go. Damn, you better lock in and focus today, Jacob. There's no joking during the classroom. You better lock in and focus today, man. You better lock in and focus today. Don't forget, Jacob, I'm double your age, so we gotta stay focused and locked in. I've got less time than you in life, so every minute counts for me. I don't like wasting my time, if you understand what I'm saying. But I know my nephew is here as well, Hunter. It's an important one for you as well. Because obviously I did do some pre-stream reviews of the profiles. And you're getting too comfortable. That's what happens when you first come into money, chat. You get too comfortable. But anyway, chat, let's clap it up. Let's go on the stream. Chat, in other news, chat, I'm gonna try and make an effort this weekend to edit this 700 gigabytes of vlog footage. So that's gonna be on my schedule this weekend. It's probably gonna be a creative process, so I can't put any time on it. But it's coming soon. I'm gonna hope to drop it on Sunday, chat, but no promises. Alright, chat, I built a little intro so that everybody knows what's happening. Dollar Vibe Club, chat, you know what's up. If you don't know, go to dollarvibeclub.com and join. Arguably, that could be the best move that you do this year if you want to make some internet money. if you want to start vibe coding and learning AI. I was before in my nephew's chat on stream, and there were some people saying, oh, it's not possible, and vibe code projects are this and that. I and Hunter are first-hand, I can contest first-hand that everything we do with a purpose, and we do in right now the only leaderboard that we have as entrepreneurs is cash money, chat. And that's why I always say, instead of being negative and saying, oh, it can never work and there's too many people on Fiverr already and all that, my main advice to those people is change your perspective. The moment you change your perspective, chat, I've got some people negative in the I see the comments, chat, I see what's going on, and all I'm saying is change your perspective. That being said, chat, whoever wants to come in negative and be negative, like, it doesn't change my life. I'm a happy camper right now where I'm at in live chat. Like, right now we get to work on Dollar Vibe Club. I would say we're trying to build the community of the future. The future of working, the future of collaboration. Don't forget, we've got two things going on. So we've got the live hackathon going on, chat. I did some updates on the page. So right now you can see we have 16 contestants accepted. You can see the countries where they will be fighting from. And I'm excited to see people. I've got a few more that I have to review and accept. But you guys will be able to follow it here. Don't forget, tap in. I'm telling you, I'm adding more prizes this week. I gotta still lock in the Replit deal, but that should be okay. And then the second part I want to look at is the spinny wheel thingy, chat. Let's activate it today. So I'm gonna copy today's stream. I'm gonna activate it on the admin. Save and sync. We've got a new goal to follow today. And basically the goal is 35. We've already got 9 viewers, 4 likes, so start liking it, chat. New rules. You have to be here at the end of the stream. That was a rule that was already in place. And then once you're in the chat, you can claim your prize. When you claim your prize, you have to have an account on dollarvibeclub.com. It's free. It will be free forever. And there's going to be a whole lot more value than the giveaways only. And then the third part is, we used to, the past 2 days, we did confirmations on Discord. But we're going to move that to Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, chat. It's the same handle, at TommyYipXYZ. And that's where you're going to have to confirm. You're going to have to confirm your email that you signed up with on Dollar Vibe Club. And then instantly on stream, I gift the prize. We already got the names loading on, so you don't got to do anything yet, chat. It will happen automatically. Fully vibe coded, chat. So we're running that on stream as well. And then yeah, the globe, we just hit 400 vibe coders, chat. If you do sign up during the stream, let me or Hunter know, and we will approve your accounts. That being said, chat, let me just do one thing. For those who don't know me, chat, this is who I am. So basically, I've had my own agency for the last 25 years. Give me a moment. Actually, let me log into the radio so that we get some good vibe music, chat, to warm up. Now I was just playing the classical Skilly Club, but let's get that music going. Shout out to Hunter for developing the radio. Alright, let's run it on synthwave first, chat. Roberto, welcome to the chat. Freelance Friday, baby. Let's lock in. We got a big show on today. Exactly, Hunter. Keep preaching it, man. Keep preaching it. So, chat, come join the contestants. Come join the challengers. The arena is opening on the 25th. We got a big week of promotion next week. Back to who I am, chat. I'm basically just a dude on the internet. I've been working on the internet for the last 25 years. I've always developed WordPress websites, which gave me a basic understanding of HTML, front end, PHP, plugins, security, hosting, and I've accumulated all that knowledge over the past 25 years, and now I'm turning it into vibe coding sales. how many projects have I shipped this year? I've shipped over 42 projects. I've got a premium package, and I always sell above the premium package, chat. People keep coming back, chat, if you give exceptional service. And that's one thing I want to get into today, chat, and that's going to lead up to Jacob. So Jacob, I definitely hope you're in the stream now, just following up to the lead up. But in Fiverr, chat, I have to really tell you, sometimes I struggle explaining it. And to give you guys an example, I will take my nephew's profile in a few minutes. I've been working with my nephew for 4 years. And the problem is, I know who I am, chat, and I know what I love to do, and I know what I'm really good at. And that's why I think I've seen enormous successes on Fiverr, which brought me to the top rated level. Top rated means there's about 400,000 sellers on Fiverr, and I'm part of the 1%. When I say, when people start Fiverr, you don't have to start it for the money. That's completely the wrong perspective to start it, because you will not be successful. It's the same, chat, when I started my YouTube channel about 110 days ago. There's no way I thought I would have 150k viewers, subscribers, chat. And that's, again, I didn't even start YouTube with the fact of getting any money out of it, because I've already made my money in life, chat. I'm arguably a bit older than most that pop into the chat, but I'm 40 years old. So when I started YouTube, it was just out of passion. It was out of, okay, I'm doing all this AI stuff, I'm learning online, and I see around every corner that there's opportunity. And what's the best way to get to my nephew and continue mentoring him from a distance? The best way to do that is streaming. And like I said, chat, I've already won with YouTube more than I could have won in setting the advertisings on or setting the memberships on. I've got those features, chat, but you don't see me. I have no need to monetize it right now. I'm taking the monetization process very slow. I believe you got to be strategic about these things. What's up, Noxious? What's up, NapDev? Welcome to the stream. So basically, as we speaking, we got another client message on Fiverr, chat. I'm gonna try and ignore them today so that we can focus on the show. Alright, chat, you all see it happen live on stream, chat. I'm not making this shit up. I just got another order coming. What's poppin', Fax? Let's go. Yeah, I just got a new order. So let me just say to that client, thank you, and I know what to do. One moment, chat. Alright, so that's another order, chat. Nah, they don't even hesitate, because this is a returning client, Jacob. I've already worked a lot for Ron, and he's a good dude. Like, I appreciate it. He's in a very cool business as well. So, chat, maybe before we get into the show, let me just change the vibes a bit. Yeah, so maybe before we get started on the show and go in depth with Jacob about his Fiverr profile, don't forget, chat, we got the live spinny wheel going. Everybody's getting added to the board. Whoever talks, SnapDev, Fax, Jason, everybody's getting added to the board. Keep liking the stream, chat, and keep inviting your friends and family. I'm trying to teach people that classic jobs are going to disappear, chat. Traditional jobs won't be here anymore in 5 to 10 years. So stop wasting your time and start benefiting of the opportunity, chat. Don't forget, the hackathon is open, 12-hour stream. And then to get in it, chat, before I continue, again, I say, everything I'm going to speak to Jacob during the stream, it's from my perspective, chat. So you got to take it with 2 cents. And I'm not the all say it and it's the right way. But you have to get obsessed as me. So you'll see how detailed I go in reviewing profiles. And you have to get absolutely obsessed with what you're doing. I'm saying to you guys, I found my success in building websites because I've done that my entire life. I hope you guys can find your success in the skills that you have and the skills that you enjoy. For example, I know people in the chat that do 3D printing. You could turn 3D printing into $1 million business in the next year. Especially nowadays when you can create little chips and little bots and AI and plug it all in. So I'm telling you, chat. What's up, Jason? Welcome to the stream, man. Facts, how's your Fiverr doing, man? I will review the profiles in a few. Okay, chat. Before I get on stream with Jacob, I wanted to review Hunter's profile one more time on stream. Because I'm honestly, and I'll say it because you're in the chat, Hunter. I'm a bit disappointed because you're getting lazy. And lazy, that's mean money is coming in. Money is coming in, the bills are paid, and you're not rushed anymore. About a week ago, we had a Freelance Friday. And as your business partner, I told you to update a few things. And I understand that you're busy. Trust me, I'm as busy as you, if not busier. So, arguably, I would say, and Jacob, this is the same way I'm going to approach your profile and I'm going to approach your situation. Right now, the only reason that you're not scaling your orders above 100, Hunter, your profile could be doing, no lie, Hunter, your profile could literally be doing $15,000 to $20,000 a month. And I know you're doing good. I know you're doing really good. But that doesn't mean you can slack on it. So you constantly got to improve, chat. So overall, I like the header. I like the start. Everything's perfect there. After Jacob, we're going to learn from this because this is well set up. Yours is set up a little less, but we'll see. We'll get into that in a few. Then I come to the thumbnails, chat. I look at Hunter's thumbnails and I see that you updated this one. But right now, the gig that you're selling the most is this one. And your thumbnail is total shit. I told you multiple times across the week, it's 2 words on your thumbnail and 3 maximum if it stays readable. You have to think the people that are coming to your profile, they are rushed, they are running a business, they want to get shit done and they want to understand shit fast. What does I will build anything mean? Anything can be nothing, chat. I believe it was Andre that quoted it 2 weeks ago. Anything can be nothing. You've got to be super precise in what you're servicing and offering as a gig. Why is now this is your number 1 performing gig. You've got 1 order in the queue. You've got 5 reviews on the dot, all 5-star, but you barely update it or you barely reinvent it. You just keep it as it. Same as I said, enter 2 samples in it. You don't use what Fiverr's giving you. And I'll show you after. Once we log into Jacob's profile. You have to use every single feature. The moment I catch you, whether it be you or Jacob or anybody's profile that I'm reviewing, the moment I catch you that you're not using a single feature or you're missing to use 1 feature of Fiverr, you have no reason to complain. You can never say things like, oh, Fiverr's not liking me, or Fiverr's not giving it to me, or Fiverr's keeping it. I'm not saying you say that, Hunter. I'm talking about some DMs that I receive. But again, if I ask you why isn't here right now in the queue 3 orders, the reason is you didn't finish this profile. You either put here vibe coding, or you put custom website, or you put something that people understand in eye view. Website data entry, you can keep that, but I think right now, honestly, my honest opinion is change this gig to something that people can use now. Copy paste, nobody needs now because AI does that. $20, you're not going to work for that anymore because you're a level 2 seller. You started at $20 when you were a level 0 seller. How can people take you serious when they say, oh, you pay peanuts, you get monkeys? That's what they say in the business world, chat. You know what I mean? So, anyway, again, chat, this is not personal to anybody. I'm talking business now. Now I'm in my Fiverr mode, so I'm talking business. And I'm telling you, Hunter, you can scale your profile, but you're getting comfortable and you're getting lazy. You didn't update your pictures. You got gigs mixed up between each other. The words haven't been updated. This is literally something you can do in 5 minutes with AI. So I don't understand what the struggle is, but on it, obviously I was an 18-year-old boy. It means you're getting comfortable. I know when I made my first 10K, I got comfortable. You let your nuts hang and you're taking it slow. And that shouldn't be the case. That should be the opposite. You should excel. You should speed up. You should try to catch up with, at least with me, I would argue. Or with the competitors that you're facing. Alright chat, that was a little intro into Hunter's profile. Don't forget, we got the spinny wheel going. Keep liking chat. There's more viewers than likers. So if you want to unlock the stream, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget it. These are the rules. Get it done chat. Let's pop into some electronic music and let's start up the classroom chat. So, anybody that's in the stream and wants to watch the classroom and wants to see Jacob's Fiverr profile or follow the lesson as a real student, or maybe even wants to come on the classroom in a few moments to share their profile, come in and let's see. The first guest will be Jacob. Once you guys come in, let me go to the other view for the classroom. Alright, here we are. Everybody pop into the classroom right now. Give me a minute. Everybody pop into the classroom. If you need access, I can approve your account or Hunter can approve your account. Let me drop the live stream link on the Discord, just for the Discord members. Alright, the stream's posted in the Discord. Shout out to Didic. Shout out to Nova. Let me move myself here in the corner. No, let me actually make myself host. Give me a minute, chat. So I've got multiple computers here, chat, and I'm just managing myself as a host. And in a few moments, we'll bring Jacob up on the stage. So here we go. And we can go full screen in a few moments, chat. I just want to keep the YouTube chat open here. Jacob, make your way to the classroom, please. You're up next, homie. Come on, chat. Everybody tap in. What's up, Hallins? Shout out to you, KG. I didn't see you here. I'm gonna drop some bombs for that missile. Aldin, shout out to you, man. I'll get onto Instagram in a few. Nice, Hallins. Happy Friday, man. Happy Friday, everybody. We made it another week. I hope you all stacked up. I'm definitely stacking up. I ain't gonna lie. That's the only thing on my mind right now. Alright, we just got a new submission challenger for the hackathon. Let's see. Let's see who joined. Don't forget, chat, like the stream. Let's unlock the spinny wheel. We got 35 likes to go, and each day I'll be increasing the like count, but each day I'll also be increasing the prize. So today I'm not sure, chat, but I might give away 2 Claude codes. Chat. I'm feeling crazy. Noxious, you've just been accepted to the live hackathon. Welcome to the hackathon, Noxious. Let's see if he's put on the board. Let's refresh. Here we go, Noxious homie, welcome. We got people from all over the world competing, chat. I would love to get more hackers on it, chat. We in the class, baby. Alright, Jacob, welcome to the class. Let me check. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make you host, Jacob. So once you become host, you should become a bigger dot. Alright. Let me turn down the radio a bit. And you should move yourself to the top right so that you're standing where this hacking code is, where I'm moving now. You should move to that top right. You should be able to now. And then let me go on the microphone here. Yo, Jacob, you can put on your video, your microphone, and share your screen, see if that works. Put your Fiverr profile as your main share screen. And as Jacob is doing that, we're gonna open Jacob's profile here as well. And I'm gonna open something extra for everyone that's watching right now. You can take a screenshot of it, become Seller Plus on Fiverr and grow, and you get an insight into the keywords, into what are people looking for at this moment. And right now, hello. Oh, what's up, Jacob?
What you doing, man? Is the microphone working?
Yeah. I'm hearing you good. Let me see if it's all good on stream side. Say something, Jacob.
Hello.
Yeah, I think. Chat, can you drop a 1 if you hear Jacob, or can you drop a 2 if you don't hear Jacob? Wix website number 1. Aldin, tap in, man. That's why I'm gonna give you the secret sauce today. 1. All right, Jacob.
Yeah, my first time using this classroom, I'm figuring out the tools. I noticed it's at the very bottom where you select your stream, right?
Yeah. Well, you just stay in the classroom, and basically you're gonna go to your Fiverr account and you're gonna share your screen. So you got 3 buttons where you can go mic, video, and screen. So activate your camera and share your screen, and it should pop up in the classroom.
So the camera, I'm actually trying to turn it on. I don't know why it doesn't turn it on for some reason.
All right, start with the screen. The screen's probably more important.
Yeah, let me do that.
All right, let me take a screenshot of this while we're at it to post on Twitter. Let me post on Twitter, chat.
One moment. Is the screen working? I think the screen is working, right?
One moment. Let me check.
Perfect.
Yeah, the screen's working. That's perfect. And I can go right in it. See if you can get the video to work, because that would be cool. My screen is flashing a bit, but that might be my PC.
Let me see.
Let me refresh one more time. I just refreshed. Sorry, it should be good now. You should be good.
Let me refresh the website real quick.
All right. We're just setting up, chat. Let me just post to Twitter. Come to the classroom, everybody. Tap in. Hands-on Fiverr profile review with Jacob. And let me share the stream as well, chat. Okay, Jacob, you good?
Camera working, man.
Yeah. Ah, nice. The stream can see you. That's cool.
Yeah, perfect.
That's cool. See if you can share your screen.
There we go. All Gucci, I think. Yeah.
All right, and then I'm gonna make my screen a bit bigger here. I'll actually go full screen. One moment. Bookmarks. Hide bookmarks. All right, chat. So welcome to the classroom. Maybe let's start off with, who are you, Jacob? How old are you? And what's your skills, maybe? And where you streaming from?
Yeah. So first of all, yeah, like people that don't know, my name is Jacob, and I am from Poland originally, but I've been living in Iceland pretty much my whole life since I was a kid, since my childhood here. I've been raised here, and for Fiverr, I did join Fiverr around two and a half months ago. So I would say I'm pretty fresh on Fiverr. Yeah, started there recently. And yeah, like looking forward to learning. You know, obviously, I've been following Tommy's streams for the last months, seeing what he's doing, seeing that he's, you know, not a
and
guru
Jacob,
like
Jacob, when it comes to vibe coding, what have you been building? What have you been shipping? What you've been launching?
So vibe coding, I've been mainly right now. I've been doing some projects on 5M. So for the people who don't know, 5M is just GTA 5 with your own server.
All right.
So doing scripts on that and stuff like that. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's see if you can zoom in on your profile. Let's go full screen.
Let's see. Zoom in, yeah.
Oh shit, my screen.
There we go. Is it better?
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so maybe you should go to the top right and click profile, and then view your profile, preview it.
There we go. Preview.
All right.
Is it showing? I think it is.
Yeah, right? yeah, it's showing. Okay, so today I kind of want to review your profile. When I look at it from my point of view as a client, I must say the start and the foundation of your profile looks perfect. But there are some things that when I read it as a client, it would make me decide maybe not to work with you, or like, because maybe you are too young. That's maybe the feeling that I get here. And let's just start at the top. I think it all starts with the profile picture is perfect. Like, you can't do any better. The name is perfect. And I think the tagline should change. I think in the tagline you should say you're a young developer, we should somehow, and maybe I should get OpenAI to do that for you. We should somehow come up with a stronger title, because the way I read it is, okay, this is a young guy, but he's building a better future. So it sounds weird to me. That's just my perspective again. So Jacob, everything that I say today, take it with 2 cents. But I would definitely change that to make it more personal to who you are and what you can do. Then the second part is your about us text. You got the, hi, I'm Jacob. I just turned 21. I've been around the online world since I was a kid. Born in Poland, raised in Iceland, and right now I work as a salesman while doing web development projects for clients on the side. That already scares me as a client. If I'm gonna spend $2,000-3,000 on you, or even $500 on you, I don't want you to be doing something on the side. I need you to be doing this full time, because that's why I'm paying you. So that's just my point of view again. That's why I say maybe we should really have. Wait, my screen is flashing a bit too hard, chat. Give me a moment. I don't know if it's all glitching for you as well. Sorry, Jacob, I'm back. My screen was glitching.
All good.
My screen was glitching. That's the life of a vibe coder. Chat, it is glitching. I don't know what is glitching it, but anyway, we'll run it as it is. And hey, we live and learn. Hey, someone in the chat said Jacob kind of cute. Shout out W's to KG.
Oh, shit.
No, so
Appreciate it.
Jacob, that's my first insight, is when I'm reading this, the first 2 sentences have to give me absolute trust that you're going to be able to care about my project. That's number 1. And that you're really going to be able to do it. Right now I see, he's working on the side, and yeah, that could be tricky. Then the core skills, I like that. Shit, man, I'm sorry. I don't know why my screen's glitching. It's so annoying.
Yeah, I can see your screen is flickering. Yeah, I can see that too.
Yeah, that everybody in the chat might get epileptic out here, man. Give me a second.
Hopefully nobody got that, man.
Give me a... Damn, man, why is it flinching like that? Alright, I'm still back. Let's hope. I'm not going to do anything. Let's hope it stays good. You still hear me, right?
Yeah,
all
good.
Okay, so I would change that. I'm going to open your profile on my screen as well. So that's what we should change in a few moments. And then since I'm new to Fiverr, my prices are lower than they'll be later. I think we got to change that as well. So that's the main things I would focus on. Then, when I get into your skills, that's all perfectly done. You've fully understood that, and the more skills you can add, if you go in every day for the next 7 days and you add 1 skill a day, that's going to get you in the algorithm, that's going to get you going. Then let me see on my screen here. If you scroll down a bit, the biggest issue right now for me is your thumbnails. They are too busy.
Too busy, yeah.
Yeah, if you scroll down on your screen,
yeah, you can see it, right? Oh, okay, I was watching the wrong one.
Yeah.
Over here, no. Sorry, the preview.
Yeah, go to the preview.
Yeah, let's see.
You just click the preview.
Yeah, you can see it now, right?
No, you might have to reshare that one or share your whole window.
Does it work now?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, so the first thing I always say, and I said it before again, the first thing I feel like is that people that are shopping on the mobile. People that are browsing make impulse purchases. And right now, even if I look at your main project, the development MVP, you can click and open that one. That's the one that you have built up already. So that's going to be the one you need to focus on. But if you look at the thumbnail, so you can close that video, you can go back to the thumbnail. If you look at the thumbnail, we drastically need to change the word "I'll build anything you need" is exactly like Hunter. I've already told him 2 weeks in a row that this doesn't make sense. And that's why I also want to just get a bit personal with you, Jacob. Again, I don't know you, so everything I say doesn't there's no emotion involved in it. It's strictly business. But if
nothing taken personal, man.
Yeah,
you know? It's all business. It's all good works.
If you've been following the streams, or at least Freelance Friday for every week, I have to tell you that you cannot ever say something out loud like, "Oh, Fiverr isn't giving me views or stuff," because you haven't. Like, this is a big mistake. Like, your thumbnail's just not convincing enough. And this is probably the thumbnail that gets the most views because you've built it up to 3 clients already. So that gives you a very strong angle to grow your account. That's why I also brought you onto the stream. You've done everything you need to do. The only step that you missed actually is coming back daily and fine tuning. If I asked you today, in the last 7 days, how many times did you update a gig description or a gig title or an image? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, last time, like, I'm checking Fiverr every day, and then I'm adjusting, like, just really small details, you know, thinking, like, whether my description is good, add a little bit to it, but I don't make any drastical or, you know, big changes when it comes to.
Okay, so let's get into the vibe code gig. You can open it. Don't open the video, just open the gig.
You see it now? I think it's working, right? There we go.
All right. Every time I come on this screen, it glitches, so I won't come on this screen. Okay, so basically, the first thing you have to do, Jacob, is you got to update your thumbnail, and it has to say vibe coding or custom website or custom application. I will go with one of the 3. In a few moments, we're going to get hands-on, and we're going to update this one fully from A to Z. And I'm also going to give you an insight into keywords that could possibly work to increase this gig. I would argue that this really has to follow the guidelines. So try to get your thumbnail in the full corner of the video so people can clearly see it when they zoom in mobile. Keep this entire side, the entire left side, keep it. Just change the entire right side. Put 2 words in it. And like I know you now a month or 2 months, so I know that you're an internet kid. So I would embellish your experience, put it to 5 years. That sounds better than 3. And I'm telling you, you probably got more internet skills than most people that come to Fiverr. Because people with internet skills don't really come to Fiverr, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, understandable. So yeah, you're saying pretty much just change this from "I'll build anything you need" to a shorter title. That's direct.
And
like
don't even put these little words on it, because when on mobile in a thumbnail, you can't even read those little words. These badges you can keep. They look nice. 24/7 available. That looks good. Your response time is good. That's all good. So that I would definitely do. Then here, I would change your 3 thumbnails to not showcase you anymore, but to showcase your product. And what do I mean by that? If you look at my stream real quick, really good. I'm gonna see if I can find Andre's profile. Oh, I don't know his profile on. Well, I wanted to show you his profile. Basically, what I think we need to get into is a more... Andre, if you're in the chat, can you send me your Fiverr profile in the Freelance channel on the Discord? Ah, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so if you look at my screen right now, and you click Vibe Code, and then you see his screenshots, they give more of a product overview. Your screenshots are right now dominated by your own image, and that's not needed, because once they've gotten to that page, you've already convinced them to click through. So what I would put there is actual images from websites, and we're gonna do that in a few moments. I'll show people how I do that with a hack. So we'll get that done in a few moments. That's the things that I would change. Then let's go to your text. So let's read your text. Okay. So I see your reviews. The reviews are global. That's looking good. We'll go into that after. We'll check your orders. We'll check how you did your order delivery, how your milestones was, all that shit. We'll see. Hello, welcome to my vibe coding gig. I'm Jacob. I will cut the crap with this one. Cut out, hi, welcome to my gig. You've already gotten them to click. So they already know that they're on your vibe coding gig. So go straight into I'm Jacob. I'm 20. We're going to change that all after hands-on together, Jacob. You're going to do it live. Let me actually... All right, that's cool. Okay, if you can describe it, I can build it. All right. I would give them also some examples of things that you've built. I would go more into the niche. I would say things like, I noticed that you built a travel app. I noticed that you built a budget calculator. You could call that a CRM. So let's change that. Here's what I'm vibe coding. I call it RevHub. All right, car enthusiast. Are these things online already? These three?
No, they're not.
Okay.
Online.
I would try to focus on, and we'll see what we can do after. And maybe this week you'll have work setting up your portfolio. But I would really get your portfolio ready so that once they send you a message, we'll get to that stage soon, that you can instantly send them a 5 URL list of the projects that you've built live. And those projects need to really bang it out of the park. And I'll give you a few tricks as well after on your portfolio. Okay, so I can build iOS apps. Yeah, we'll see how we can optimize that. I think this is a bit generic maybe, so let's see how we can get it more personal. Using tools like Replit, we keep that. Putting Codex, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is bigger than Replit, Lovable and Base combined. How it works. Since I'm new to Fiverr, let's take this away now, or let's at least change this. Let's say I just started on Fiverr, but I've been building websites longer. Now you get to work with me on my introductory fee. That sounds better than how we quote it here. And that's just we'll see from that. Shoot me a DM. Let's change that to a more professional one. Like this, send me a message. You basically ask it here already. So let's optimize that. And then let's see. I just turned 21 and I've been around. Okay, that we're going to optimize. And then, yeah, when you scroll down to the portfolio, I would say you need a stronger portfolio. You need something that's going to be jaw-dropping. And right now, it's not really jaw-dropping in my honest opinion. Again, this is my 2 cents. But for example, if you go to my profile, Jacob, if you visit my profile,
Let's see.
TommyXYZ /fiverr.com/TommyXYZ.
Tommy. There we go.
All right, and then you share the screen so we can see it. Chat, let me just remind everybody to like the stream. You know the vibes, unlock the thing. Go to my portfolio.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay, so I've been in the business 25 years, so whether you believe me or not, that this is more marketing, I would argue. But what sells my profile right now is the picture of that girl there. I didn't take that picture. It's a photographer with 15 years of experience that did it. It's the model that did it. And that's what's selling the brand right now. If you look at my portfolio, I try to convey emotion. And I don't know how to explain it. So that's why I'm just happy that I get to talk to you on how I look at things when I do it. But I'm kind of more, what I feel like is I'm selling a vision. You can go back to your profile and you can go back to your portfolio. The first impression I get here is darkness. And again, this is just my marketing. I don't know if it's a sixth sense at this point, but it just doesn't feel sexy enough. And that's why they always say in marketing, you got to make it sexy. So my advice to you is come up with a portfolio concept. Maybe you build a website. Let's say tomorrow you start a portfolio landing page. So you only build landing pages for your portfolio. And you make it a demo modeling agency. That way you get to generate high quality model images. And those model images will capture your audience for you. So you're selling a vision rather than a page that everybody can create, if you know what I mean.
Some are like a vision.
Yeah, and also
So
you can go cooler. You can go cooler. If tomorrow you could say, "Oh, I'm a Formula One fan," just build a website with some motion graphics of Formula One cars racing. That captures the audience. If that's, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, Jacob. You know the vibes. I've just opened the classroom a couple of days ago, but I'm just saying it has to sell. Especially the last portfolio that you have from the GTA one. When you click that one, it just doesn't sell. This looks like a website from 1995. That's my honest opinion. It looks like a basic forum. And I understand that you built it and that it works, but that's not the point. Right now, we're trying to get people to send you a message. The moment they send you a message, Jacob, I know that you're confident enough to jump on a Zoom call. You've got a good English accent. You can understand people clearly. And then it's just going to be about communicating and pulling in the client. But we're going to have to work on those details for sure. Then let me go back to your profile, scroll down. Okay, so your pricing is very good. And even I would argue, because I think your profile is at a level where you can already charge like $150, $195 just to get started. And you should change it. You should put in there that they can have a call with you for 30 minutes and you'll set up a single page website. Nobody's giving that personal service because everyone's afraid to show their face, Jacob. I promise you, a lot of people are scared to go on Zoom calls because they're not confident enough. But I know you've done a lot of Zoom calls already. I know you're not afraid of picking up the phone for cold calling. So it's about, but basically forget all that. Just lock in on Fiverr and you'll have enough calls to do. So your standard price, I would lower down to 500 and your premium price, I would up to 1500. And that's going to make it more sensible for people. Again, in the marketing, this is something that I just know because I've been doing it 25 years. If I look at a price 195 or 100, I'm more keen to go with the 195. It's something that I don't know how to explain it. There's a word for it, but I'm not educated that way. But it's a feeling. And it's like people would in a shop. I used to do retail when I was younger. When people are pricing clothing in a shop, you'll always see they're doing 19.99 or 19.00. They never go because it's psychological warfare that you're having with your clients. And that is the whole psychology of marketing. You got to go to a marketing class for that, or we should do a marketing stream another time. But that's basically things that we're going to have to fine tune for sure. In your case, I would set your delivery date for your basic package to 1 day. People want speed on Fiverr. When someone orders something on Fiverr, it's 100% impulse. 100% of the time, it's impulse. So they want to see that you can deliver fast. And you can do it in 24 hours, Jacob. Like, you can literally build anything. Sure. This food one, the track food portfolio that you have, is arguably your best portfolio item on it. Everybody cooks in the world. Everybody understands it. And everybody would probably want to be using that app. So I don't know if you've launched the app already, but it's probably a good idea to launch this in your regional area if you need portfolio items. You know what I mean? Also, if you look at your title, I know you put the hashtag in and the bracket for the URL, but we're going to have to change that because if you look at my titles, again, I'm selling a story. I'm not promoting URLs. I don't want to promote URLs because I don't want them to leave Fiverr. I want them to stay on that page so that they can start ordering. You'll see the URLs come in a later stage, in a later stage.
Everything is just like text, yeah.
Yeah, a story, Shushanik's photography, website builders, Alex Croxford from the UK. Like, it's a story, so yours feels like, ooh, this is a bit coded or something looks off. And obviously, you can't click the link, so Fiverr doesn't want you to leave the profile as well. Fiverr wants your client to stay on that page. So we're going to optimize that. I would say maybe now, let's have, oh yeah, when you scroll down, you've also only got 5 FAQs on your gig. That needs to be minimum 10. I've said that for 2 weeks as well, Jacob. So that's on you. You know what I mean?
Which one was it, sorry?
The FAQ section. Every Fiverr gig gets about 10 FAQ sections. So when you scroll up, your gig has an FAQ to that gig. Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah, I've got 5 questions.
You've got to put 10 questions in there and you've got to rethink them because those are keywords. Those are going to be the search words that people type in. So this vibe coding is perfect, but use the other 5 if you've got them. If you don't got them, somebody else is winning. And don't forget, on Fiverr they always show your profile, but they'll also show other sellers at the bottom. So it's very easy for somebody to click away, let's say. Okay, I think now, let's see if I didn't read the chat for a while. Chat, sorry, let me clap it up for you guys who've been patient. Cardi, Forts, AK. Cardi, welcome to the stream, man. Yeah, I was teaching. Yeah, emotional damage. I'm sorry, Jacob. No emotions here. Strictly business.
No.
So
No,
chat,
taking
right
it.
now we're going to get into the practical stuff. And Jacob is going to open his profile. And we're going to go to his profile. And we're going to start editing this stuff. I'm going to help him by copying his vibe code gig right now on stream. And I'm going to paste it in my OpenAI to see if we can get the right text going. I need you to help me setting up all the content text-wise for my Fiverr profile of my co-worker. Here is his vibe coding gig. And here is his Fiverr profile. Alright, let's send it. He's working now. And Jacob, I just also want to say to you, shout out to you, but moving forward for the next week, I would really say every time you feel like Fiverr is slacking, blame it on yourself. I always used to say to Hunter when he was like 16, I used to tell him, like, everything that goes wrong in the business or in your business is your fault. Everything's your fault. And the moment you take accountability, Jacob, I promise you, you're going to find flaws and you're going to start seeing what I see. It's all about details. And it's the details that make you different than anyone that gets on Fiverr. What's poppin', PR? You got the homie Jacob. Jacob, can you turn on your camera just for the stream?
Yeah, it is actually turned on my end.
Oh, I can't see it here. Can you just turn it off and turn it off and
see,
turn
I
it off
tried
once?
to-
Let's see.
I tried to turn it off and on, and it's still not showing for some reason.
Oh no, I do see it
What is
here. I
true?
do see it in. Let me refresh. I'll be back 1 second. I do see it in the admin one, so it should work. Alright, I'm back. Do we got the homie Jacob streaming?
Yes, sir.
Let me see if I see his screen. Alright, so you can open. Okay, so you got your profile open. Let me do my profile open here. So I'm going to go to the top right and I'm going to click profile. And then you've got your username. That's good. Maybe just for shits and giggles, Jacob, in your last name, above, change your name to Jacob Develops.
Develops, yeah?
Yeah,
To the last name.
Jacob Develops. This is your username. We want to sell people on a dream. And then we're gonna rework your title in a few moments. So let me see what ChatGPT gives you, and also have your Discord ready because I'm gonna send you to Discord what you have to copy paste.
Gotcha. Thank you very much.
All right, and then the images I'm gonna leave to you, and it's up to you to get them done this weekend, like your gig thumbnail and all that stuff, and see if you can somehow edit it in and get it done. I really think your video is very strong, so I would definitely keep that. Like, the video is really, really strong, and it shows who you are. That's why I brought you on this stream, is because I found that you had a nice, good personality, someone to work with, if you know what I mean.
For sure, man. I appreciate that.
Alright. Chat, somehow you can't see Jacob's camera on my screen, but it's all good, chat. Go to the classroom if you want to see, dollarvibeclub.com, and then you can tap in with Jacob there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to work on is your tagline below your name. And I'm waiting for Fiverr to give me an answer here. Continue doing research, but first off, I need a strong, personalized tagline for my Fiverr profile. For Jacob's Fiverr profile. Alright. It's writing it as we speak. And
Man, your profile, your portfolio is really strong, man. I even noticed that myself. You've got a lot. Like, it's a lot of projects.
yeah, but I've been
50+.
obviously I've been doing this shit for 25 years, so no disrespect to you, like Jacob, you've put the most work in that I've seen most people do. And Andre, for example, as well, I'm looking at his profile on the stream as we speak. So you're really, I tell you, when I tell you in Discord, like you're literally 3% away from the train leaving the station, and you will be a case study that I will show to people. I feel the confidence in it. I do think you have to put more work in your portfolio this weekend. Build 5 stupid landing pages with cool concepts, and you should be good.
Sure, just change up the portfolio, yeah, like you said.
Yeah,
With
everything.
something that's giving more of a feel of a brand, something more.
Yeah, everything. We're
Exactly.
going to focus on, I'll tell you after what portfolios we're going to put in. We're going to put a hotel in it. We're going to put a real estate provider in it. We're going to keep that cooking app. We're going to put some GTA landing page that people can subscribe for a newsletter. And we'll figure out a last one. Some maybe travel. Travel is a very good industry. Real estate, travel, and e-commerce are the best paying industries. Chat, people pay for it. I'm telling you, it sounds crazy. And 3 years ago, and that's 3 years ago, so I was way cheaper than I am now. But 3 years ago, I used to ask myself, like, why do people pay me so much money? Like, I felt bad. And I kept asking myself, why do people pay me thousands of dollars to build a website? Why? I don't understand it. But I figured out why. It's because of the knowledge. It's because of that we care. And like I'm telling you, man, you're going to see it. These people, we understand internet, Jacob, but 90% of society does not know what a GTA forum is. Does not know what Discord is. Regular people on the street don't even have a Discord, chat. That's how bad it is. Chat, I just want to welcome Avra, Mystic, Noxious, Roberto, PR. No problem, you're late for class today, PR. I'm going to have to write you down in my book, man. Let me write it down, chat. Your ass 1 hour late to school. Man. Your ass 1 hour late to school, chat.
Shit.
Alright, so let me see if OpenAI gave me the tagline. Come on, man, speed it up. I've got Pro running, so it's going to really get personal so that your personality gets into it. And Jacob, if I ask you an honest question today, like, could you send me 5 websites that you built and fully launched A to Z that are online on an official domain name?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so send me them 5 now in Discord, and then we'll open them up and see if they are strong enough for the portfolio. So let's have a look at that. What AI are you using, Jacob? What AI are you using?
I use mainly Claude AI right now. Claude AI and ChatGPT for like some prompting and mock-up images.
All right, here is your tagline. This is your new tagline. Let's try it. I think it's nice. This is your tagline. I turn bold ideas into working apps. So change that at the top of your profile. Next up, I need a 2-sentence description about who I am as Jacob. Note that the experience is 5 years. Note that I've built over 100 websites, community, real estate, and local businesses. I live in Iceland. And I'm able to work globally 24/7. And in the start of those 2 sentences, I want to show the at least 5 years experience. Make it personal. Alright, so I'm just prompting my AI agent now, and I'll actually do that on stream chat so you guys see it as well. This is basically what AI is writing, and I'm sending it over to Jacob, and Jacob is changing it on his stream. So that's the first thing. Now we are going to change the about us text. We're going to cut out the fluff. We're going to get straight to the point, and then we're going to go edit the portfolio, or at least define what portfolio items we want in it. Alright, so these are the ones on it. Okay, so we'll update your portfolio, and then you got some homework, Jacob. Unfortunately, welcome to school, man. You got some homework this weekend.
For sure, man.
You got some homework.
I'm gonna have to take my laptop then, because I got a flight in 2 days.
Well, take that laptop, man. Never leave
hold
without
on.
a laptop. That's the modern warfare gun.
For sure.
We can never leave without a laptop, chat. Do you follow any let's say business people online, like, I don't know, Gary V, Steve Jobs, Jack Ma? Do you follow any of the great business people?
I follow I think it's like a guy called Jordan Welch.
All right, I've heard of Jordan.
Yeah, and then what else? I mean, Iman Gadzhi, I did follow him for a little bit, but then not really.
All right.
Stop that.
I would advise you. I would advise you to tap into the OGs like Elon, Steve Jobs, Gary Vee. These are guys that have been at it for the last 30 years, and I'm telling you, it's very hard for me to say where that 1% is. But the moment you flip the switch, Jacob, and I mean mindset wise, not that you have a bad mindset because your profile and your video, but there's something in me that I don't know how to define it, but that's that little spark that you're missing. And maybe those business gurus might be able to tell it to you if you just watch hours and hours of their videos. So that's a tip, and I think if you unlock that, you're gonna change not just your Fiverr, you're probably gonna change your entire life. But you know the vibes. Okay, let's see if we got a text back. With 5 years of hand-on experience, I'm Jacob, an Iceland-based developer who has built over 100 websites and online communities for real estate brands, local businesses, and entrepreneurs. I work globally. Offer personal, reliable. That's perfect. This reads completely different than your description. So put this one in as your about us text, and that's what it should be.
So just completely remove what I've got currently.
Yeah.
In the about me and.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's see. Perfect.
Okay.
That's looking way better, man.
Yeah. Well, people don't have time, so they just want to go in. They don't want to read a whole block. Okay, so let's go up next. I'm going to your gig. Sorry, your portfolio. I'm gonna now write in Discord what I would set as a portfolio the coming weekend. So you have real estate landing page. I would make a travel app. No, I would make a hotel booking app. Hotel booking landing page. I would make a model agency landing page, and I would start even with that one at the front. What else do you like? What do you personally like in your life? GTA 6 coming soon landing page. What else do you like, Jacob? What else are you into?
Do some fitness related stuff.
Fitness. All right, let's build a gym membership landing page. Okay, so you're good. I've sent you these 5. We can't do anything about your portfolio now. You have to do that after the weekend, and then maybe next week we can have another classroom session. All right?
Sure, man. I appreciate that.
Okay. Next up, let's go to your vibe coding gig. You can open it on your screen sharing, and let's go to the vibe coding gig.
Let me see. So the vibe coding gig, let me find that. It's over here.
What's up, 905? Welcome to the stream, man. I think that's the winner of yesterday, right, chat? Okay, wait. Stay on this screen, Jacob. Stay on this screen.
For sure.
I'm gonna see if I can open it without it glitching. All right. Okay, this is very good.
What I personally noticed about this specific vibe coding gig is that overnight, like I was stuck for like the last 3 to 4 days with getting almost 0 impressions, and somehow overnight I got about 50.
Well,
for the vibe coding.
I also shared your profile, I think, yesterday on the Twitters. So who knows? That might be to it. But I would argue that, like I said at the start of the stream, you've already put in so much work. So now it's just about persevering. And don't think it's going to happen in a week. Like, you're going to have to put in another month. But the moment you pass that benchmark, Jacob, you're going to look back and you're probably going to tip me $500 for this. Like, you're going to make way more than that.
5K, man.
You're going to make way more than that. Okay, but this is very good. You see how impressive that $3.99 is impressive. So that's good. Let's edit that gig as the first starter.
For sure.
Okay, chat, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my screen. I don't know if you have me open on a second screen.
I have got you actually, yeah.
All right.
I got your stream open.
Okay, so now I'm looking at a page that we call Keyword Research within Fiverr. Unfortunately, because you're a new seller, I don't know if you have Seller Plus. Do you have Seller Plus or not?
I did have it, but it just expired like
All
I
right.
think yesterday.
So my opinion to you is, if you have the cash, I would definitely invest into it because it helps you. Click in the top right on analytics and see if you have a drop down that says keyword research. No, on analytics. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
I still have it.
oh
Oh
no.
yeah,
So
never
you
mind.
need. So how do
Yeah,
you get
good
it?
shit.
What did it say?
You just have to buy the Plus subscription again, I
All right.
think.
Okay. So anyway, you can watch my stream now. I'll give you an insight because I've got the juice from a top rated seller. This is my dashboard, so you get full access to what I see. So the first thing we're gonna look at is your current gig. When you open it, and you can already open on your screen as you're doing. I'll switch over. So you're in the gig, programming and tech,
In the vibe coding one, right?
and
Yeah.
then you're in the
There you
vibe
go.
coding one.
Perfect.
Vibe coding, and then you've got development and MVP. That's where you're in. So the number one keyword right now, the problem with this gig, if you look at what I'm looking at, I don't feel that there's enough search volume on it. So my next step to you would be, let's see if we can change this gig's category. So you click on the gig, vibe coding, and then edit. And I'd rather put you in the category custom websites or custom. Are you sharing your screen? Because I don't see it move.
You don't see it? Oh, do you see it now?
Yeah,
think
yeah,
it's
I
good
see it now. All right, so,
Yeah.
okay, so it's good that you can change vibe coding. And I can see, okay, so let's see. Give me a moment. I'm going to do the research on stream. I'm going to see how much
No
AI
problem.
development has. I think AI development is even going to hit better.
I'm assuming your ChatGPT is trained, right? Like you
Yeah.
train it probably.
Yeah,
based on
yeah,
your
it's
Fiverr
trained
stuff.
over 5 years. Oh, well, 3 years.
Damn. You're locked into this shit, man.
I'm telling you,
Doing
man,
really
this is
well.
my life. I really love this, man. Like, this is my life,
Yeah.
man. I'm
Nah,
telling
that's
you.
definitely something I love too, man. It's a passion and trying to turn a passion into a full-time thing, you know?
All right, so we'll make it happen. I think you'll see changes if you get locked in. Okay, what you should do is go to. You should go to change your gig to the category website development and see what we get. Yeah.
From vibe coding
Top-
to website maintenance.
No,
or
to
development.
website
There we
development.
go.
And then your second service is custom websites. That category gets way more hits. I can't explain it. I just know how the juice works. And I'm just giving you the juice. So website
And I'm
type,
assuming a landing page or
you can do
business?
business. I think business is a good one. Like, everybody wants to do business online. And then programming language, you can start, you got 5. So pick the most 5 common ones that everybody understands. Everybody understands Java. Everybody understands HTML. Everybody understands PHP, I think.
Like React, I think.
React, everyone understands. Something that
And then
normal
build
people.
CSS maybe. That's
Yeah.
like visual.
Yeah, that's something that everybody understands as well. And then website features.
Yeah, 10
Pick 10.
features.
Start with marketing for sure. Payment. A lot of people struggle with getting online payments done. You can go to booking is very important. All the hotels in the world want booking. Calendar.
Reviews.
Calendar is good for events. Reviews is good. Reviews actually not, because reviews is more better done by third-party platforms like Google Reviews and Trustpilot. Because
User
they have a
authentication maybe.
user art. I would do landing page. I would do dashboard, blog. These are words that normal people look for. Blog, newsletter.
Newsletter and maybe
You got one
admin
more.
panel or 4.
One more. Analytics. A lot of people struggle with analytics. So that's all normal people slang. Okay, so you can go down. And then
Save
your
these changes.
keywords. No.
Sales.
Go
Okay.
back to your keywords. We're not done with step 1 yet. Go back to your keywords. You can delete all those. Delete all those, and I'll give you some keywords now from my live analytics board. Everybody in the chat, sorry that I'm not reading the chat today. We're actually having a hands-on lesson.
But man, throw in some W's for Tommy, man.
All right, I'm not
He's
seeing if
spreading
it's
a lot
happening.
of sauce, man.
And don't forget, chat, we got the spinny wheel thing going. So, okay.
A lot of sauce on the stream.
The first thing I would, if you look at my stream, Hunter, sorry, Jacob, If you look at my stream, you'll see the first keyword is full stack web developer. It's the #1 searched word this week. It's got a high volume. People order for around $100, and not a lot of people are selling, but a lot of people are competing. So that's not a good one to take. So let's look at this. Oh, this is a good one. Custom website development. That should be, custom website should be a keyword. So add custom website as a keyword. Yeah. And then add vibe coding as a keyword as well, because we're going to want to do it. And then we got 2 more. Let me see.
I think it's 3, right? Yeah, you can have 5 in total.
Yeah, 5. Here, you have the word full stack, 2 words, website. It's 18 ranking. People pay about 100. A lot of conversion and not much competition. All right. And then let's do another keyword. I know that works good is business website.
So business website. There we go.
And landing page. Those are already baked into Fiverr because those are hitters. Okay, so you can save that. And then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so let me look at your pricing. Let me see.
Go down. There we go.
Well, we'll start at the top of pricing. So it all begins with your package name. You've got basic, and there it says introduction and idea ignition. So now I'm gonna ask Codex to help me set up 3 decent
Would you like me to send you these titles and descriptions for each?
No, I have them. I'm just screenshotting it right into. You can see me do it on stream now. I'm just screenshotting it right into Claude.
Gotcha.
And then I'll send you what you can just copy paste over in Discord. Alright chat, I need you to help me set up my 3 packages, basic, standard and premium. I need 3 personal titles. I need 3 times a short description for each, and follow the exact word count as I have now. And I want all the prices to be brought. Basic package to 175, standard package to 575, and premium package to 1575 USD. Alright, we'll take it from there.
I think there's like, when you talked about the pricing, right? About like having that stores have listed like 0.95 cents or like $2.99. That's probably like a, how do you call this? It's something psychological, right?
Yeah.
Has to do something with that.
Yeah. I don't know what it's called. I don't have the academic name, but I know that it makes a whole world of difference. If I charge someone $1,000 or $995, they're more likely to work with me when they pay $995. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I don't know what it is behind that, but
it's 25 years.
Something, right?
25 years of experience that's giving me the confidence to put that out there for sure. I'm gonna look at your gig here. All right, so he's updating. And then I'll try to zoom in here. Okay, he's gonna give you that. Let's change your delivery time for basic to 1, your delivery time for standard to 3 days, and your delivery time for premium to 14 or 10 days. Preferably 10 days.
I got this. 10 days is easy.
Yeah. A functional website, obviously they all need to be clicked, because when I'm paying you, no matter $100 or $1,000, I want a functional website. Number of pages, 1 page for the first package. Yeah, it's probably changed because we changed categories, so that's all good. So 1 page for basic, 5 pages for standard, and 10 like pages. 10 yeah, 10 pages for premium. Revisions, you can put 3 revisions for basic, 5 revisions for, or put 10 revisions for standard, and put unlimited revisions. Put 9. 9 is good, and put unlimited revisions for premium. Content upload, yes, for all 3. Plugins, you can always put 1 on the basic, 3 on the standard, and 10 on the main. That's basically features like you want a Google Maps on it, you want your reviews on the website, do you want a photo gallery, whatever, contact form. E-commerce functionality, no, yes. So they get e-commerce with the premium package. Number of products, only for the last one you have to do, only for the last one. You put, 10 or how many you get.
Damn, there's a lot.
Yeah.
I'll do 10.
10 is good to start with. Yeah, 10 is good to start with. Payment integration. You can do that for standard and premium. Opt-in form you can do for all three. Every website needs a contact form. Autoresponder you can do for all three. That's just a contact form autoresponder. Speed, every website needs to be fast, whether it's a basic or a tenor. Hosting setup you can do because nowadays that's all done with Replit, so that's automatically in it. Social media icons, you can click it because some people don't even know how to get social media on a web page, Jacob. That's how bad it is.
Wow.
Change your price to 175, 575, and 1575. Okay. The extras you can leave for now. I wouldn't do any extras. That's not needed. You can scroll down a bit. More. Okay, you can save it. And let's go back to the top now, and I'll give you the descriptions for the gigs. So the titles.
In Discord, right?
Yeah, sending it now. Let me read it if it's good. Description, I'll build your one-page site or MVP. Alright, yeah, that's perfect. There you go. So you just copy those. And the titles, you change them also. So the title becomes your idea made real instead of basic introduction and idea. So ignition. So your MVP built right is a title. And your full app launch ready.
Man, your ChatGPT is well trained, man. If it just gives you straight up.
Well, it knows what a top rated Fiverr profile looks like on the inside.
Yeah.
So okay, so if that's all done, you can save that. And the text also changed all the text. Chat, while he's doing that, let me check the chat. I missed the chat, man. I totally forgot the chat was here. I totally forgot the chat. What's up? What's up, PR?
Chat's having W's, man.
W's, drop the likes. Aldin, Avra, I'm doing amazing, Avra. Welcome to the stream. A bit busy with lessons. Yes, Fiverr Freelance Friday has started over an hour ago. Mystic Bank, oh shit. 905, what's popping? Facts dropping W's. Roberto is in it. In it to win it.
Perfect. Saved.
Alright, let's go to the next step. What is the next step when you add in a gig?
Let's see. There is none.
Yeah, you go on the top and you move to the tab. Yeah. So your description. Alright, so copy. We'll take that away.
Send this description too?
No, I'll just have my agent make a new one. But I will Google how long Fiverr description for gig.
It's 1200 characters.
Alright.
1200 max, yeah.
Okay, next up I need you to write a full description in paragraphs. I first want an introduction of who I am. I want to keep it as personal as possible. And I want to show a certain confidence. I also want to highlight that I am a new seller on Fiverr, but definitely not a new developer in the industry. But everybody that works with me at the start of this season is getting my introductory prices or something like that. Optimize it fully, 1200 words max for Jacob's profile. For his custom website, programming and tech vibe coding gig. Alright, anyway, whisper flow messed up. Copying it. Alright, let's let that run.
Also, for you personally,
1200 characters. Gigs... Didn't it say words? 150 words.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, wait, let me change that.
Words.
Sorry, chat, not more than 150 or 200 words.
But yeah, what I was gonna ask is your gigs, right? Because you have 4 gigs listed, or you have 2 gigs? You have 2, right?
I have about, I don't know, I recently changed it. Let me check. I only have 7 gigs listed.
7 gigs.
Yeah.
Wait, that's even possible?
Yeah, when you get top rated, you're allowed to have 20 to 30 gigs.
Oh, wow.
But I like to focus on what I'm good at, and that's just web development. So you won't catch me adding too many gigs, because I just want to focus on one gig and build it hard.
So that's good for me as well, right? Focus on that one that's already performing.
Yeah,
vibe coding gig.
Yeah, and I would definitely take a step back, and we'll do that after. And I would probably change those 3 gigs that you have now to something that would get people looking your direction more. You get in stage time soon, Aldin. Let's do you next week on Freelance Friday. I'm actually enjoying this chat. I'm basically just streaming for me. While the agent is working, chat, Jacob, let me take a 2-minute stretcher on the balcony and a pee.
For sure, man.
Alright, do the same and I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Let's do the same. Stretch a little bit. Clap for the stream.
Let's do it, Dennis. I'll get you on a Freelance Friday as well, man. Alright, be right back, chat.
I wanna come looking.
You're still mic'd up, Jacob, so watch what you say.
Oh, am I still mic'd up? Sorry, let me mute my mic.
Alright, chap, we're back, round 2. You there, Jacob?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good, let me turn my camera back. You gotta get a spitting bucket, man.
Tell me about it. Clap it up for the stream.
Man, that description that I'm reading on your stream right now looks so good, man.
Yeah,
Way
we're
better.
still gonna update it a bit, but this is a good start. This is a good start to add in. I'm gonna send it to you on Discord in paragraphs, and then just bold out the first paragraph and make the first paragraph yellow.
For sure. Let's see.
And just keep it like this time. Don't put any bullets in it, and let's see what it does. Actually, I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna copy this into my agent, if you watch my screen, and I'm basically gonna say rewrite it with these keywords. Rewrite it, keep the same base, but add in the keywords that I'm sending here in screenshot. These are keywords that work as per the Fiverr algorithm. Don't overkill the words so that Fiverr doesn't give duplication errors or too many times used errors. Alright, so just let him update it just based on the research, and that's why it's good to have Seller Plus, because basically the agent is gonna write on what's hot.
Still, man, it's insane. Like your detailed prompting. You just have that, built in you.
Wow,
You know how to
I've been doing
how
it
to say
25
everything.
years, that's why, G. I've been doing it 25 years. But the moment you get crazy and obsessed about it, Jacob, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. For example, when we end this one vibe coding gig, tomorrow or when the weekend starts or whenever you're free, you got to do the exact same with the 3 gigs that you got going on, because you got to optimize them, you got to change the categories, you got to switch into what people are looking at, and you got to constantly be busy in it, man. I say it to my nephew as well, and he's been killing it, but he can do even more. He's just getting comfortable, and I don't want him to get comfortable, because once you get comfortable, you stop making money. Let's see if he writes it. Avra, facts. I'll be checking all your guys' profile. Oh, sorry. I'll be checking all your guys' profile, chat in a few. Just let me get through the gig with Jacob so we can actually get some sales going and some inquiries going on his profile, chat. But, like Avra just said, he said nothing applies to me. I'm sure if I look at your profile, Avra, that I will find something that I've explained to Jacob that applies exactly to you. So I will be looking at your profile after, Avra, so I hope you can prove me different. But everything I'm saying to Jacob, you guys can apply too. That's the direct secret to being a top seller on Fiverr, chat. It's not because I'm Tommy Yip that I became top rated, you know. It's just because I put in the work. Ah, noting. Alright, well, those are all things exactly like you said, Avra. Then I mean the opposite of what you said. Exactly what you said. You were absolutely right. I'm going to clap it up for you. Everything I explained to Jacob, you guys can do as well.
And this will probably be, like, people can probably rewatch this stream from scratch, right? Once you end it, so.
Yeah, and if you're even smarter, you just have your agent transcribe it and get to work. Alright, he's finalizing the last description. Let's see. Chat, don't forget, while he's still working, we got the daily spinny wheel thingy going. We're almost at our goal. 15 more, 16 more likes to go, chat. Come on, I'll spin it if we hit 25 today, alright? Don't forget, follow me on Instagram, chat, because that's where I'll be. I need you to verify. No more on Discord. So follow me on Instagram, chat. It's open. And everybody's on the wheel already. Everybody's on the wheel already, so keep joining. All you got to do is chat, say hi, and you'll be at it. Shout out to you, Jacob, for commenting.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm Jacob. Here we go. This looks better. This looks more professional. And it's got the keywords in it, so you'll get even more hits. And then just make the first one bold and mark it yellow. And if you do that, then you save. And then we go to the bottom.
Let's see. Alright, delete all that. Oh, wow, this pasted it so weird. Let me see. Try again.
You gotta format it yourself for sure. And just put the spaces in it as I sent it to you on Discord.
Let me look at my second screen.
Let me just do this. I'll post it one more time. It's basically 4 blocks.
Yeah.
For sure, facts. I'm 100% sure of it. Well, Forts, you don't have Insta. I'll let you slide because you're a 16-year-old, homie. I'll let you slide on Discord. But the rest needs Instagram, chat. No Instagram, no prize. You know the vibes. We're optimizing the giveaway every day, chat. So far, it's doing what it needs to do. I'm very happy with the giveaway, actually. And I'm excited to bless someone else again with a $20 plan. So let's effing go, chat. Alright, you done, Jacob?
Yeah, I'm Gal Gucci. So first one was bolded, the first paragraph, and also highlighted in yellow, right?
Yeah. So you can also mark the bottom part where it says, or you can add an extra sentence and just write, send me a message, I'm online all the time. And put that one in bold. Or add in, send me a message here on Fiverr, so people know instantly to go to the contact me button.
Let's see. Yeah, exceeded characters, but I'm still typing for some reason. Let's see. Is this save?
If you exceeded characters, it probably won't work. So delete that one and see. Just delete that last sentence. See if you can save it without.
I can only do send me a message here. That's only.
All right, just do send me a message here. Make sure you didn't lose any text in your text above, because Fiverr will like overwrite the top text if you run over characters. So just check that the text is reading good.
Bro.
Just scroll up and check if the text is good from top to bottom.
Let's see.
All right, that looks good.
Let's say Kajabi setup. Do you know what that is?
Well, it's a hot keyword on Fiverr right now, so I would just leave it in. And tomorrow, if someone orders you and says, I'll pay you $10,000 to set up a Kajabi, I'm 100% sure you'll figure out what Kajabi is, right?
Yeah, then just do a research, take in the order, do a research, and let my agent do the work, man.
Yeah, that's a golden rule, chat. I said it to Hunter also. I always say, yes, I can do anything you ask as long as the price is right. I don't say no to work unless I can't communicate with them. So always say yes, and for any price, you can get any job done, chat. All right, you can go down to milestone workflow.
So just fix this right here. Can't still. What the hell is going on?
Just delete the last sentence and copy the last paragraph, because he probably deleted some characters while adding that extra sentence. So just delete that whole
Delete the
sentence.
last sentence.
Yeah, and just copy the last paragraph from Discord so you get that without the send me a message, So based in Iceland.
Let me see.
And ready to grow should be the last word. Yeah, ready to grow.
You mean for that very bottom?
No, this is good. You can hit save. You can hit save. This is good.
This is good?
Yeah, the last word is grow, right?
Yeah, grow.
Yeah.
Ready to grow, yeah.
Yeah, so you can hit that button. You can go down.
Maybe I'll add a column over here as well, so it looks a bit right.
All right.
And then save that.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now I'm gonna send you 5 FAQs. Look at the current FAQs that I have, and actually write me 10 new FAQs that I can post on my custom website gig. Here, the homie is here. Let me play the sound.
No fighting. Wait. No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting!
Welcome to the stream, Doc Kyle. We're in the classroom just doing some work right now. I'm gonna send you 10 FAQs. Those FAQs you can add after the stream, so we'll just let him write them. But let's go to the next page so it stays a bit entertaining for the viewers. So you'll have to update all those 5 FAQs. Then you can go to the third step, and that is, what is it?
Requirements.
Okay, so that's good. You just leave that as is, because once you get to the requirements, the client has already paid you. So that is okay. And then
basically gallery, which is
your gallery. I would say look at my stream for a moment and go to teamforest.net. And when you go to Team Forest and you say popular teams, for example, I'll say wedding. Wedding is a good business. This is what your thumbnails have to look like when you're presenting a web project. You see what you're looking at on my stream?
Yeah.
So try to sell it like that as a website, and you can always send me some screenshots when you set them up. This is a perfect screenshot. Just change it to custom website. That's what you're basically going to be doing. And if you can get it changed in the video also, that's going to change the click-through rate. You're going to see a lot more people going to be clicking.
So just simplify in short terms this text in the video and also in the primary here, in the image primary.
Yeah.
To custom website. I'm not going to say I'll build you a custom website, right?
Custom website. Yeah. And then
Gotcha.
change those 2 images to actual screenshots of a website that sells. And if you need a website that sells, you go to Team Forest. I could type in here model agency, and then basically you don't even have to build the website. You just have to take a screenshot. Did it give me site template here? You've got
Fiverr's not gonna ban me, right, for that?
No, well, you can do cars, you can do whatever's cool. But if you look at this, for example, the screenshots tell a story. Like, I'm a photographer. Look at this girl. This screenshot is basically your what you making. You know what I mean? And
So
that's,
you'd say it would be okay to just save that image and use that, or would it's
well,
better to
in
just...
my advice to you, because you're a young blood and you've got enough time, my advice to you is to build 5 portfolio items that we discussed before and use 2 of those 5 pictures. So I would do that. That's my advice to you. And if you don't want to do it, you can come and steal ideas from the templates, and you can always make... And AI does this in literally 5 minutes, so it shouldn't even be a big debate whether you build it or not. You know what I mean? And it gives you training. It helps you use the agent again. When you scroll down, I think you should be good on this one to save it now.
Let's see. So in simple terms, should just be 5 landing pages, 5 new landing pages that I'll build.
Yeah, that we
for the
discussed.
portfolio.
For the market
Yeah.
that you want to target. Real estate landing page, hotel booking landing page, a model agency or a car company, a sports car company. is
Would
also
you
good.
advise I use specifically Claude AI for this, or to use Replit? Buy a plan
Well,
and use
you build in whatever you build, as long as you can get a URL online and it's actually deployed for when your customers ask, can I see samples, that you're not bluffing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you can build in whatever you want, Claude, Codex, who cares? Replit is my go-to, but in your case, I know you're not yet running the engine full time and the revenue isn't coming in full time. But as soon as it does, I would argue to go to Replit full time, and every customer project I would definitely do in Replit.
Definitely. Yeah, this is looking way better, and the description is showing here.
Well, I would say to you, if we get off stream after, update your FAQs, because that's going to help you on getting found, and update your thumbnail as quick as possible. People are
Yeah, I'm
not
gonna
getting
get
to
right
read.
done.
Yeah, people don't even get to read your description of the gig if they don't click you, and that's why you need the clickbait. And the clickbait is just a clear thumbnail.
Got you. So custom website, remove these extra titles, right? Underneath the websites, apps, web apps, automations, and more, right?
Yeah. Nobody's gonna read that.
Yeah.
But you can keep the nice label of 24/7. It just needs to be, the thumbnail needs to show full screen on the
And that
video.
3 years, make that 5, right?
Yeah, make that
plus.
5 because we write now 5 everywhere.
Got you.
Yeah. And then other than that, I think this was a generally a good foundation. I see that there's issues. It just needs love and so much personal attention, Jacob. And the moment that train leaves, you won't stop working, I promise you. And you're almost there because you already put in the hardest part. That's getting 3 reviews. That's literally the hardest part. So
Yeah, man. It's been a great lesson, man.
I will look
lot of
forward
value.
to seeing your profile next week, Jacob, and I'll tap in next week earlier, but next week, Freelance Friday, I'm going to put you on blast. And I really hope that you update everything that we discussed, from portfolio items to the gigs, thumbnail, and that shit. And update your descriptions for the others, work how I worked, talk to your AI. And next week, I actually hope you to send me a message next week. I got my first order. And that's gonna be good.
Hey, it will happen, man.
All right. Let's hop off the classroom for now. I'm gonna mute my mic here, and then I'm gonna start reviewing profiles of the other students.
Oh, good. But yeah, thank you very much, man, for the
Thank you,
time, for your
Jacob.
time here.
Let's
It
get
was
it.
a great stream.
I hope to see the
W
updates,
in the
homie.
chat, man. Good value, man. Tell me fucking G.
Good luck, man. Thank you so much. Good luck, G.
Thank you so much, man. Take care, man.
All right, chat. Break time. Chat, you guys need to join the classroom. And why is it important to join the classroom in the future? We're going to do these, but off stream. So I won't be streaming this content, but we are going to help people hands-on, and then I can help more students. And I'm going to tell Jacob to pass it forward. So as soon as he starts making money, he can start teaching others how to do it. Let me check the chat one moment. I missed so much. Halins, I would like you to... I'm going to review all the profiles now and all the gigs, chat. Drop some W's in the chat. Get ready for that. We're going to speed run the profiles. Fable 5 is gone. Oh my god. Well, I'm all 5.6 chat GPT, baby. Your streams are definitely gold. Appreciate it. Facts. I hope to see you soon on the Freelance Friday, Dennis. You good vibes, I think. His streams are free gold mine. Insta. Get Insta, thoughts. You're going to need it sooner or later. People who follow the Friday stream, put in the work. It's all about putting in the work. At the end of the day, chat, I really hope Jacob puts in the work like I hope my nephew puts in the work. But I'll be really honest, it doesn't change my life, chat. I'm a very happy camper. My life is good. My business is running. The bandos are rolling. So I'm not complaining, but I really, really hope they do it. And that's why when I say, chat, I really, really care a lot. But at the same time, I can't really care because it's not my gig, you know what I mean? But I feel like Jacob is going to lock in. He reminds me of my nephew a lot. But when my nephew was younger. My nephew has matured a lot more nowadays. Alright, it's time. Let's get to everybody who wants their profile reviewed. You know the vibes. Go to the Fiverr classroom. We got the group here. Type in Fiverr. And don't forget, chat, we've got the 2 PDFs here for you guys to download. I would argue everything I said to Jacob is exactly in these 2 PDFs. So if you like to learn with PDF and shit, we can get it done. Just post your profile here on this page and I'll start reviewing profiles in a few moments, chat. Let me close off Hunter. Hunter, close. Twitter's good. Let me send this to Jacob. I'm going to send it in parts so Discord doesn't block me, chat. I need Nitro soon, chat. Alright, he has all the FAQs. That's good. He's got all the inspiration you need. Vibe coding. Andre, shout out to your profile. We'll open that in a few. I think I got 2 orders in the queue now, chat. It just flipped from 1 to 2. You guys seen that happen live on stream. We got, let me check the subscriptions to Dollar Vibe Club, chat. Make sure, if you want to win, we're almost unlocked it. We need 3 more, chat, and I'll unlock it for you guys today. Join Dollar Vibe Club. Follow me on Instagram. I'm accepting everybody now. 3 new accounts. Teslima. ZZZ. And someone joined with Dollar Vibe Club. Support at Dollar Vibe Club. So I'm going to reject that because I don't know who support is. I'm support and Hunter's support. And I doubt it's me or him. Don't forget, chat. Go to Dollar Vibe Club Hackathon if you want to compete to these challenges. And I promise you, chat, in the future, being a challenger on Dollar Vibe Club is going to be very important for your wallet. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying anything else, but it's going to be very important for your wallet. You get your street cred, and street cred is worth something in Dollar Vibe Club. Fable removed. KG, shout out to you, man. Can only be used with usage credits. That's crazy. W's. Hello, Aura. Welcome to the stream. Mario, welcome to the stream. Let me clap it up for the new homies. Tommy, my man, you have to get on the LinkedIn page, bro. You gotta start working and posting there. Alright, let's do it this week. I'll make it a goal. Kozak! Welcome, Kozak. No worries, GPT 5.6, homie. Yeah, Fax, I've already approved your account, Fax. When you visit the hackathon page now, it should say approved for you. When you click this screen, it should say approved for you. Look, accept it, chat. And whoever's accepted it has this screen, so... Wow, Kozak, I don't have many files on my PC. I just build the project, ship it, and then I'm done with it, and GitHub stores everything, and I'm out. Chat, I'm going to take a little stretcher. Ooh, we got the 24 likes. We need 1 more like, chat, and I'll unlock the spinny wheel for today. We had 2 winners already. 3 actually, but Captain Berto wasn't on the new system. But that's all good, chat. Okay, I'm gonna take a stretcher chat because I spoke a lot. Well, Roberto, what's the max hours you can put in, and I'll save a special seat for you. If you can do it on stream, even better, because I've got a few streamers participating. I've got a few streamer homies that are gonna be joining. Harsh, welcome to the stream. Alright, chat, I'll be right back. Keep liking the stream, keep sharing it, keep subbing up. And the next, we're going to review about 22 Fiverr profiles, chat. Let's get it. Alright, chat, round 3. Let's speed run some Fiverr profiles. Alright, I'll make it work, Roberto. For you especially, I'll make it work. You'll have a special seat. You'll have what I call the hot seat, Roberto. We'll call it a hot seat. If you can finish it in 6 hours, why not? Well, you can build behind the scenes as well. When he's gone, the agents do the work. Right, Aldin? When he's gone, the agents do the work. Okay, chat, let me open the profiles and I'll start reviewing one by one. Shout out to my profile, top rated seller. Shout out to Hunter's profile, level 2 seller. And the homie will be top rated soon, chat. I don't doubt it. One more like. Damn, chat, we're unlocking a lot. Oh, one more like and it's unlocked. I was gonna unlock it on 25. Chat, I'm gonna unlock it for you guys. Fuck it. Just cause you guys gonna get it today, man. Let me unlock it as an admin. One moment, chat. Unlock it for the OG chatters. Boom. Now when I open it, refresh it. The host unlock active. We're ready to spin the wheel at the end of the stream, chat. So first I'm gonna review the clients, the profiles. And then it's time to spin the wheel, chat. You know how we do it on Freelance Friday. We keep it straight to the point. And Gordon Ramsay style, chat. Gordon Ramsay style. I might have to tap into yours then, Aldin, because I was trying to build it, but I haven't had time. I've been swamped with client work, so I might have to tap into yours for my stream then. I might have to tap in with you. Let's go, chat. Dennis is an OG chatter, so he's the first one that I'm going to check, chat. Shout out to Facts and Calamities. Shout out to Dennis, the family man. You're on the same path as Jacob, and I'll open Jacob's profile as well. You're on the same path as Jacob. You've put in the work. You've got your 3 reviews, your real ones. You speak a lot of language. Personally, I would remove Russian because you'll never have a Russian client due to the sanctions, chat. So I would just keep it at 5. Don't overwhelm the people. This is perfect. This is very good. This is good. Only automation is small. This is very good. Only the word is cut off. And when I pay you $175, I don't want my pictures to be cut off. What's up, Sumo Flex? Welcome to the stream, man. What are we looking at right now? So, these are good. I will be honest, Dennis. I will be really honest with you. I think if you remove the automations and you change that into a WordPress website, you're going to get way more eyeballs looking at you. 90% of the people that come to the website on Fiverr are looking for a WordPress website because that's all they know, chat. And then it's up to you once you get them in the chat, and I know you're good for it, Dennis. Once you get them in the chat, you translate them to vibe coding. You say, oh no, this needs to be done custom. So that's what I would argue to remove this one. I think this one, I don't know, man. I don't think it's a hot product. Full stack development is good. Let me see in what category you are. Programming and text. I would again put this more on custom website as we just did with Jacob. Why? People are looking more. They type in custom website. They don't type in custom software. So I would definitely change that category. I think that category is going to change the way you're going to get way more people looking at you. That's just facts. And no pun intended. So I would change this gig category. I would change this one completely, delete it and set up a WordPress gig. Right now, when I look at the analytics chat, Wix is dominating on Fiverr. Let me show you guys. Alright, so basically, you go to website builders and design. Wix is #1 right now. There's a high competition rate, but there's also a high conversion rate. That means people are spending money. So do what you want, take screenshots of this, but that's why I'm saying change your categories, remove this WordPress, put a Wix in it, keep this, but change your wording. I will architect your custom software. It's too technical. Facts, I think you got to get more personal. And the only reason I'm seeing it now, and I'm not saying it last week, is because I'm coming off of Jacob's profile. Look, this is like normal people talk. I will build your website, builder, e-commerce. This is all words normal people know. So optimize that, I would argue. Profile picture is good. They're all good. The words are good. Let me open a gig. AI websites and software. Okay, AI development is good. Again, I would arguably put this in the custom, but you could keep this in AI development for now. Well, that's why, because it's your best gig, I would change this completely to the programming and tech. Programming and tech is the hottest category on the block. So I would change it to programming and tech and custom websites or website development. Exactly the same category as we just did with Jacob. Jacob did it here. Custom websites. This is his best performing gig tree. Programming and tech, website development, custom websites. The search volume is 10x compared to software development. AI and compared to, yes, software development. Let's see. Vibe coding. But I think I would arguably change your main best performing one to custom. You'll see. It's going to bring you more clients. It's going to bring you more clients. Test it, Dennis. Test it and see if your views change. And let me know. By next week, midweek, I'll tap in with you and test it. This is good. This is good. You've got the age to use these words, so I would keep them as it is. Again here, this becomes too technical. I've been in the business 25 plus years, Dennis, and I don't even know what a rag is. A rag for me is a piece of cloth. Like, don't make the client feel dumb, if you know what I mean. Because I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to even hit the contact button if I've got to speak about a refined UX. It took me about 10 years to learn what a UX is. And I still don't know what UX stands for, chat. I'll be really honest. I know it's design, but I don't know what the full word stands for. But that's not the point, you know what I mean? I would get this. I would really go personal, chat. Pure motivation. Let's tap in soon, man. Share your profile on the Dollar Vibe Club and I'll review it live on stream. That's what we're doing right now. Alright, facts. Get that done. Cut this. Cut the crap. Straight to the point. If they're here, they've clicked you already. Stop selling. Start presenting. So cut all this. This has to change to a sentence where it's just about you. This is too selly. It's like, oh, he's selling me something. He's pushing something. Look at Jacob. When you click a gig, and I'm just using Jacob because we used him as a profile. This is a story. This is what Jacob does. This is a story of Hunter. This is what Hunter does. It's speaking about you. Everybody on Fiverr can start with, do you have a project in mind? I will give you a free demo. Everybody can start with that. Everybody can do that. I'll be right back, chat. Spit. And again, chat, this is nothing but business advice. My 2 cents. Don't take nothing personal. I'm speedrunning it as well. I may be harsh. Alright. Also here, people that are coming to you for AI software or AI solutions, I will arguably change this whole shit to AI solutions. And change this text RAG ecosystem API. 90% of my clients don't know what an API is. A year ago, I learned that the API runs the internet. And a year ago, I learned that every single website that displays something online is reachable via an API. So change it. Make sure that you take away the stress. You saw Hunter laughing for the first time. What's popping, thoughts? Who's laughing? You saw him laughing here. Homie thoughts, chilling. Okay, so let's go back to Dennis. Change that. Let's go to the best performing gig. Present your idea with a premium interactive front end designed to impress. Go straight to the point. Let's have a Zoom call, 30 minutes, and I'll build you a landing page. Everybody understands landing page, chat. Standard. Full stack SaaS app. Put it in website. Web application. People understand web application more. Don't sell the features here, chat. The features we talk about down here. Sell the story. Okay, so I think you got a bit of work. Dennis, if you down, I would love to have you on stream next week, Friday. See what you can update so far. But I would love to have you on the stream. Okay, the screenshots are looking very technical. I would argue that this is your best screenshot because it relates. This one's too technical. And this one's in French. So I understand that you're French, but we have to understand that the majority of the viewers on Fiverr will be English. Arguably, I will show you Andre's profile after. I like how Andre presented it on some gigs. Same time as I did with Jacob. So I start 12 AM Thailand time. I think that's 5, 6 your time. Yeah, this has to change. Get personal from the moment they hit your profile. This has to change. Nobody understands React. Nobody understands Gasp. Post. Yeah, change this. You're losing keywords. I could do a full rundown with you and I could 10x your profile in 2 weeks. Just because you've got the experience. I know you solid. Once people send you a message, I know they're gonna have a different perspective when they chat with you than all this technical jibber jabber chat. So that was my 2 cents on Dennis. Dennis, you getting the clicks? I think get in the right category, you get more clicks, and optimize your gig so that you get people to convert and send you a message. All right, next profile, chat. I'll go from the top. Let's see if the homie Austin actually finally finished it. The homie Austin was in the chat. Yo, what's up, AI Mastery? We're doing some Fiverr profile reviews today. Every Friday we do Freelance Friday. AI Mastery, I'm gonna send you on Discord, but if you get a moment, do sign up for the hackathon. I want to see you on the challenger board, and we've got a few streamers coming in, by the way. Roberto will be in the hot seat, but I definitely will reach out to you on Discord. Just give me a few to catch up on the work. Austin still didn't update his profile, chat, so we're not even gonna look into it, unfortunately. He's got a huge potential just because he's in the United States, chat. He could make so much money. He could literally make so much money. Some people aren't blessed to be in the right region, if you know what I mean. I've spoken about region multiple times. We got Dennis, Jacob, Hunter. All right, next profile is Turaya. Turaya, I wonder if you're in the chat, man. Maybe I should go in detail over your profile. But your experience and your skills, I've already spoken with you at the early days of my stream. I'm curious to see how many clicks and views you're getting. I really am curious, but you're in the right categories, man. Look, graphic design, web design, facts. This is a banger category to hit on, chat. Like, this will get you views, because if you look in trending, it's those categories that you want in trending, chat. Website, WordPress. People that want a website, they look for website design. They don't even type in the word website development sometimes. So that's, again, another tip, chat. Go in the right categories. Why is graphics and design the first category on Fiverr? Because it's the best performing category on Fiverr, chat. Turaya, I don't know what is glitching with your profile, man. It might be your region. It might just be that you're in a bad region. And that people just not keen. And that's what I said, chat. You're going to have to start with local clients first, Turaya. So we got to tap in, Turaya. I know you're an OG. I'm going to tap in with you. I say that every week. So let's try to reach out on Discord again today and make it happen. Next up, the homie Youssef. Youssef is running a nice profile intro. This is a lie, chat. He's got one profile. If you're top rated, Fiverr will give you an official badge. I already told you last week, you can get into big problems when you put this on your Fiverr profile, Youssef. You can get into big trouble. They will instantly ban your account. I'm not going to continue because I don't think you did any updates since last week. The gigs look total shit. So Youssef is not bothered right now, chat. Youssef, no fucks given. He doesn't want that internet money, chat. More for us. The homie Phoenix is working hard. Homie Phoenix has secured a job as well. He had a successful start, but he kind of stopped. I wish he would take it further. But let's see if he takes it further. Darkview AI. Hey, I got my ting. What ting you got out, Darkview? Anything needed, you can post in the Discord or post it in the lounge area or in the project showcase. Let me know. Welcome to the stream, by the way. So chat, Phoenix's profile from 0 to 9 orders in 30 days, chat. The homie did it. He believed. He did it. And now he's really busy. He's got money. I feel he's getting comfortable like most people do when they get money. But as soon as it runs out, he might be back, chat. I'm just fucking with you all. Alright, let me check Roberto. He's got the hot seat for the live hackathon, chat. He's got the hot seat. Let me give a little shout out to the daily vibe spin, chat. We're going to give out the Claude plan today. Like the stream. Get your friends in the stream. Follow me on Instagram or you can't claim your prize. Roberto, let's go. Roberto, I've told you last week and 2 weeks ago, change this slanted text. It takes away of the whole reading experience. We might also have to update this a bit. I want you to introduce yourself first. As hi, I'm Roberto, 10 years of experience, built over 100 websites, 200 websites, 500 websites. I think we need to cut it a bit shorter to get to the goal, chat. Same as we did with Jacob. I know Roberto is more than capable. I would put here that your main language is Spanish. So somehow we got to change this a bit. And Roberto, I would love to have you on next week's stream as well. And update this and maybe feel a bit. But we have to say that your primary language is Spanish. That's going to change your views and it's going to get you more Spanish people. I promise you. The profiles look very good. Your idea is not a strong keyword. Excel is not a strong keyword. It looks like you're offering... I know you didn't change a lot yet, Roberto, so I'm going to skip for now, but you've got work to do. I would argue to do it on a stream, and then you've at least got something to stream about again, and get this profile in lock, because this is going to be your success, Roberto, to show other people how easy it is to get internet money every day. I promise you. Yeah, for sure, Roberto, for sure. But shout out to you. Put in the grind, get it done. Jillian360, I love that name, chat, because that's like a 360 seller. She does everything, and she actually does everything. She helps people get visa applications, learning, UGC content. Arguably, I would make sure that this is not cut off. You're a UGC creator and your own content looks like slop. So you can't have that. Fine tune that, finalize that. UGC is one of the biggest categories on Fiverr. I cannot understand why you don't have an order here. So that means you have to go into the UGC category and you have to start figuring out why are these other fuckers working and mine is not working. UGC videos, what is the rest doing? Look at the rest, look at the profiles. Your image might be too AI generated, if you know what I mean. I click on UGC. What region are you from, Ryan? What region are you from? UGC is user generated content, what people post on Instagram and all that stuff. Yeah, this is not strong enough compared to your competitors out here right now. Let's look at this one. She's doing a 1,000. She's done 1,000 sales, chat. She's got 5 orders in queue. Jillian360, this should be your competitor. This should be your competition. She charges $150 for the basic package. You are not at the level that she has, and you're selling it for $225. That's your first mistake. Sell below her. Go to $100. Go to $100. So I would definitely update your UGC content. I would update your UGC content. Also, these pictures, I'm getting a feel that there is too much travel content, which puts you directly into a niche. There's also no reason for mentioning this. Phuket, Thailand. It puts you in a niche. But shout out to you for being in Thailand. I love Thailand, chat. Okay, Jillian360. Focus on that gig and focus on your vibe coding gig. Change your category. Go to custom websites and website development, chat. Custom websites, website development. Chat, you can see she's giving a 45-minute Zoom call. So, or put this in the vibe coding gig category. Okay, let's look at the others. She's done 1,000 orders. Damn, chat. She probably sells a buff. She's got her international clients. Great performing. Good to see other people killing it. Let me see, chat. The next... Harsh. I'll see if Harsh really wants it, because Harsh has been fucking around with that profile picture for the last weeks. Nah, man. Harsh still playing. Harsh looking like Daft Punk. Harsh, come on, man. Put in the work. I see you here every single day, man. Or are you already rolling in the dough? Are you already spinning in that money? I want to see you put in the work, man. I really want to see it get live. Alright, Harsh, get that real profile picture going. Real gig images. Treat it with love and it will reward you with love, chat. Fabian, shout out Fabian. Fabian from Spain. Fabian will be joining the hackathon as well, chat. Chat, I gotta close a few tabs because my sites are crashing. It's getting slower and slower. Alright, Fabian, love the profile picture. To be really honest, I would zoom your face in. Look at mine, look at Hunter's, look at Jacob's, look at Dennis's. When I go small here, I don't see who I'm working with. Remember, people are booking on their mobile phone. People are not booking on the laptop or not zooming into pictures. Zoom in on this profile picture and it's going to be incredible. Great contrast. I build, alright, I would start here with the advice I gave you. Set up your experience, how much projects have you built, and your gigs have to be updated. I don't think this one's good, but too much text, too much bullshit. Remove that, 2 words, boom, boom, boom. These, total shit, change them. I'm not going to continue reviewing because obviously I've seen it last week, so get it done. Andre, the man, the myth, the legend. This is great. Great. I see a lot of potential here. I don't know why it's not popping off. Yeah, change this one. Keep this one in vibe coding. Keep that one in vibe coding. And change this one to custom website. Change this one to custom website, Andre, and we're gonna get the ball rolling for you. Change your titles. Make it shorter. 1 sentence. 1 sentence only, chat. Start focusing on 1 sentence. This is what I meant, Jacob, by the samples. The samples are so amazing. Look, chat, they just sell a dream. If I run a luxury real estate website and I see this, damn, where do I sign? Get it to me for $150, $500. Get it to me. So, Jacob, take inspiration from Andre. I'm going to drop Andre's profile in the chat. I want everybody to visit it. 1, it supports his growth of the profile. And 2, you need to check his example images. I promise you, you can learn from him, chat. Let me see the vibe coding, what he uses for that. Yeah. Wait, I want to see the custom websites, what category is he in. Great. He's smart. Website design, website builders, that's good. Maybe lower your price a bit. But look at this. This is what I meant, Jacob. Look at this. If I have a furniture shop or I want to start an e-commerce shop, I instantly want to work with Andrew or Andre. The thing that is selling me here, chat, is the image I'm looking at. The chair with the flower. It looks all aesthetically pleasing to the eye. That's what I'm saying, chap. Psychology. Alright, Andre, let's tap in, man. I'm going to go one-on-one with you. Let's get you on the stream as well. Avra. Big Avra. I'm Mike, full stack developer, Shopify expert. That's great. Tapping in on that Shopify industry. I'm an expert building. Okay. The thumbnails are looking perfect. Let's go to the Shopify gig. Alright. I'm still missing the samples. I would like to see samples that I just seen with Andre. But this is also pretty nice. But it's not relatable. You have to imagine 9 out of 10 people are not doing any import automation. 9 out of 10 people just want a Shopify website. That's all they really want, chat. They don't want the tech. The automation you can sell afterwards. First, get them started. Sell the dream. Go to Andre's profile. Look at that furniture shop. Look at that real estate website. Sells. Remember what I said to Jacob. Sell it with cool fucking pictures. Look at this. This is a good one. This is a very good one, but it's not super sexy. If I'm doing yoga, I will put, you know what, beautiful background, jungle, vibes, yoga mats, people. Try to sell it, the dream. This is too technical. I said that last week, Avra. You've got a great intro. Remove the double space here, chat. There's 2 spaces for no reason. For no good reason. It reads very bad. Your list is too long. Simplify your list. And maybe even just get personal like Jacob. So you show the people who you are. And that you're just starting out on Fiverr. But you've got 10 years of experience. Look what I did with Jacob. Your categories are perfect. That's a very smart setup. Well, I didn't say that, but Aldin knows what's up. Sex sells, chat. That's a golden saying in the marketing world for the last 50 to 100 years. And sex can be defined in multiple ways, chat. It's making a product look sexy. A Ferrari is sexy. If you put a website on it with a Ferrari car, that's just as good as a beautiful woman or a cool dude. So sell the dream. Next up, Aldin, the man. Future streamer, chat. Future streamer right here. I'm a web developer crafting premium Shopify teams and AI solutions. I'm feeling it, but at the same time, it's reading a bit too long for me. You need to be able to explain in 5 sentences, in 5 words what you do. The region is good. I would embellish your experience because I know that you've got way more skills than 5 years, so I would put it 5 to 10, embellish it. Remove this AI integration. People don't like seeing that because they think you're shortcutting. Change that to I've built successful websites. I've launched over 50 websites. You got to change that. This, I told you last week, Aldin, this is scaring people away. Images are looking great. Very good. And if you wonder where people read this text chat, I'm telling you, when they are shopping on your page, they'll go and they'll scroll and they'll read it here. And then if depending on what gig they are, they'll feel good or bad. And that's the moment you capture or you don't capture them. The thumbnails are looking amazing. Like, I can't say anything about these thumbnails. I don't know if your views went up or not. You probably have to make your titles way shorter. I will build your Shopify web store. Boom. That's it. Too much yellow here. Only the first should be yellow because what am I reading? What's important? The first or the second? Looks like everything's important. Optimize your text. Remove this important. Remove this. This is a block and doesn't have people send you a message. Make it friendlier. Important scares people away. Chat. Oh shit. Important. I gotta lock in. I just want to chat. I don't want to deal with important stuff. Arguably optimize the text a bit. I'll get you on stream soon, Aldin. They have went up. That's probably due to the click rate. But I'm telling you, you gotta now get the conversion going. And the conversion is where you tell the story. You have no other place but your gigs to tell your story. Because people don't see your about first. They see your gig description first. So tell your story, man. Alright, Aldin, good. I'm gonna have to get one-on-one with you. So that we can tell your story the right way. And embellish the experience. Because I know you've got more skills. If you've kind of redone the Baked OS and got the full voice and shit working. So you've got skills, man. You just got to word it right. The words chat. He's the best one in class right now. Not a single Fiverr seller is making it more clear than him, in my opinion, that I've reviewed. Hunter's doing a good job with his 1 gig. But all the rest is shit. And Hunter's a level 2 seller. So step up your game, Hunter. The images are looking very good. This is beautiful, chat. You see? This is selling a dream, chat. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, we can get you on the right track, Aldin. I don't know, to be really honest, I don't know the region enough, Bosnia. I don't know how people react to a country as Bosnia. But we'll have to find out, chat. We'll find out as we go. That's great. We'll get you on stream soon. After Tommy review, that's done. Nova front. Yeah, that's done. Dennis is done. Andre is done. Marcus is done. Let's see if Marcus did what he needed to do. Because Marcus has been tripping the last 3 Fiverr freelancers, chat. Alright, Marcus did some updates. Shout out Marcus. I love to see it. Damn, that's nice, Marcus. The profile picture is instantly 10 times better. You need to zoom in on the profile image, show your face more. Same like mine, same like Hunter. When people scroll and it becomes small, they still have to be able to see it. Now you become a dot, you don't see it. Change that, zoom in. You need to put your profile, same image on the left side here, same like Hunter. Marcus, that's gonna change the game for your profile. You need to get better titles. The bottom is not readable. All I read is website, build your, and build. It doesn't say anything. Optimize those thumbnails, but I'm happy that you already optimized from last week. Let me go into custom websites. Chat, this is the right category to be in. Very good, Marcus. Your profile image is shit. Use the profile size that Fiverr gives you, chat. 1200 pixels or something. Nah, this is not good. Fix that. You got some work to do. I'll talk to you when I see you pop on the stream, Marcus. But also, what is this for a gig? This is the only moment you get to speak to a client that clicked your profile, and this is all you write. Nobody's gonna order with you, homie. If they are comparing your profile to me, they're going with me every time. Every time. If you optimize your profile, they might give you a chance. Well, it's a good image, and if it looks like that on Zoom or similar to that, it's good. Update your profile a bit. This is not really selling. Good, Marcus. Good start. Watch the stream today with Jacob. You'll know what to do. Alright, chat. That was it, man. That was it for Fiverr Freelance Friday. Let me go to the spinny wheel thingy, chat. We're on 35 likes. Oh, we didn't unlock any more. That's sad. Let me refresh. We might have did. No, we didn't. Let's get to 40 likes today, chat. Can we do that? I'll spin anyway, chat. I'll spin anyway. I'm about to end the stream soon. Let me check the stream. Let me check the stream. Lol, Tommy be saying he don't know what UXB, but everything he describes on fire. Well, you don't need to know a definition. You just need to do it, Johnny. And I'm just doing what brings me in money, man. I don't need to know the classic and nerd words. You know what I mean? I don't need to pretend that I know a word. I just need to make my business roll, Johnny. So you know the vibes. Welcome to the stream, Johnny. Aldin, shout out to you. Let's get you hot on Fiverr, Aldin. That's gonna be great for your stream as well. Let's get you hot on Fiverr. Alright, chat, thanks for the extra like. I'm gonna take another stretch of chat because it's been 2 hours and 20. Let me pop up some music so that we can get hype for the spinny wheel show. Who's ready for the spinny wheel show? Drop some W's if you're ready for the spinny wheel show. And that will probably help your chances in getting on the board. Let's get house vibes, chat. Happy Friday, chat. Friday night, we're making so much money, chat. It's incredible, man. 2026 has been amazing so far, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I hope you guys start making the same, because then you're gonna say, oh, that motherfucker's right. All those little details that he's bitching about like an idiot on stream, he's right, chat. Let's fucking get it. Be right back, chat. Round three, chat. Round 4, I think. Let's go with the W's, man. Double V, Ford's playing. Let me turn down the music, chat, and let's lock in. I think we're gonna end the stream, chat, and do some spinny wheel. Let me see if Dollar Vibe Club is all good. Any new subscriptions? Alright, Roberto joined. Let me accept it. Boom, Roberto, you're in on the hot seat. Welcome to the hackathon. So, let me see if there's any new members joined the platform. Yeah, real. I'm accepting you now. Let's go, chat. Spinny wheel time, chat. Spinny wheel time. Let me know if you guys want to see spinny wheel or not. Rian, sorry, you're from Bangladesh. I don't know, man. There must be a reason that they are refusing it. Did you get to the stage where you upload your passport and all? Did you verify your profile, Rian? Because that can be a reason that they will block you. Let me go on the stream. Let's just do one sub, Alden, because I'm stopping early, but I might come back after in the VR. I might go fishing after, chat. So I might give another subscription after. What's up, Shadow? Welcome to the stream. You're right on time, Shadow. We're about to end in a few. You're right on time, man. Get your name on the board. Get your like on the board. Yeah, Rian, there can be a reason that maybe you did some negative things in the past. So Rian, send me a message on Discord and I would have to see some screenshots of your profile or screenshots of the message or the reason that they're banning you. I believe Fiverr is one of the most fair platforms on the internet. I've been using it for 3 years, chat, and if you treat the platform right, they'll treat you right. Don't cheat. Same as everything in life, chat. Cheating only leads to short time pleasure, chat. Cheating only leads to short time pleasure, so don't cheat. Put in the work. It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. So that's the whole vibe about the concept. Alright, chat, what do you think? Spinny wheel time, 1, or stream another half an hour, 2? What do you think, chat? Well, you shouldn't even cheat on games, Fords. You shouldn't even cheat on games, man. Games are a reflection of how it will be in the future. Whole life is a game, chat. So don't cheat in games, because life is a game. Alden coming on hot. Alden costing me money out here, man. Well, chat, we've got less viewers in the chat, so that gives more people that's active in the chat the chance to win. And that gives more people who are active the chance to win. That's the only way to play it on survival hardcode mode. That's the only way to play real life, chat. Exactly, Johnny. That's exactly it, man. And that's why I love gaming. Because I keep winning in games as well, chat. So that makes winning in life easy. What's poppin', Mike? Olare! Welcome to the stream, hombre. Welcome to the stream, hombre. Alright, we got a few more chatters popping in, so we'll close off. Spinny wheel in 15 minutes. Chat, let me put a timer on the screen. Let's have some me time. Let's talk a bit and let me put a timer on the screen, chat. Let's do 10 minutes, chat. $15 minutes, chat. Let's go. We got 40 on the board. Let's see. Chat, as I was getting up, I was just thinking about something, and I don't want to be a dickhead, but I do want to be honest. And to those whose profile I've reviewed for 2 or 3 weeks, if you're not updating your profile every single day and every week I look and there's no improvements, you cannot complain that Fiverr's not rewarding you, because you're not putting in the love. So that's all I wanted to say, chat. Nice, Forts and Avra know each other. That's nice. That's nice. Avra, can you remind me how old you are again, Avra? I think you're Mike, right? Yeah, you got a legit profile. I like that profile. I said it last week. Put in that extra love, Avra. Take it to the next level, man. Why is the cam so low and high all the time, chat? Yeah, and it's nothing personal to you, Fax, but the fact that you reply, I might as well pick up on that. I truly believe that your account should be at 10 orders right now, Fax. And that's just probably because you've been distracted with real life work and family and you've got a baby. But I'm telling you, man, invest that half an hour a day into yourself. And at a moment, I promise you, I don't know, but I'm telling you, man, that internet money is next level. Chat, I ain't gonna lie. Ah, PR, where you at, man? Number 2 mod. We need you, PR. It's token time, baby. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, chat. Token time. We're gonna spin the wheel. So that means there's a problem, and I would start reaching out to Fiverr, Rian, and actually explaining your story. The only way to do it is to reach out to Fiverr. And if that doesn't work for you, I would argue to go and look at another platform like Upwork. Upwork is the exact same story, the exact same game. What's up, PR? Welcome back, man. Let's spin it. I want to get you on the name board, you know the vibes. We got a lot of viewers here, chat. We got a lot of viewers here. We got a lot of viewers here. And we'll see. You got to be active in the chat to claim it. Come on. 10 more minutes, I think, chat. Oh, 12 minutes. Let's let it run in the background. Alright, chat. Let me actually go like this and enlarge this. Can't I enlarge the video? Yeah, I should be. There you go, chat. And then I can move the clock here. Alright, chat. That's better, chat. That's better. We get to go a bit personal. Chat, it's gonna be an exciting weekend for me. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and rest a bit, focus up creatively, and probably stream again tomorrow night, because I've got a lot of work to do. I didn't do any vibe coding today. Yeah, Fiverr is very strict and they've got very good systems for cheaters. So if you run double accounts, they will block you instantly. So Rian, I hope you try to get in touch with Fiverr. Let me know how it goes, and otherwise apply it to Upwork, man. Chat, I put on green today to get them money vibes rolling for you guys, chat. Took Friday for real. I didn't do anything today either. Took Friday for real. You took Friday for granted then. Sir, this is green, man. Let me go to the light, chat. Is this green or brown, chat? You can see it on the light. It's khaki green, chat. Aldin playing. Aldin colorblind, chat. Aldin colorblind, chat. I'm fucking with you, Aldin. Well, that's the dress, is it? Gold or grey? Is it gold or grey, chat? Alright, spinny wheel thingy in 10 minutes, chat. Load up the chat, drop W so the system knows you're here. Everything's fully automated on the spinny wheel thingy, chat. Blue. Alden looking at that blue color. Chat, is this green or brown? I was going for the green look. Anyway, let me maybe go to the second cam. It might be more clear. How about this? Let me enlarge this. Chat, is it green or brown? Alright, Harsh, it's gonna be for next week, man. It's gonna be for next week, Freelance Friday, because in 10 minutes or in 9 minutes, we're gonna spin the wheel, chat. In 9 minutes, we're gonna spin the wheel. Don't forget, we got the wheel. The wheel's open. Keep chatting to keep your name on the board. Let's effing go, chat. I've been enjoying these giveaways, chat. No, right now I'm not in the paying state of mods. I've just started 110 days ago, Sumo. But maybe one day the chat knows and the mods know. The moment I win with the stream content and all that, the community will win as well. Right now I'm already giving back by handing out Claude plans, you know what I mean? That shit ain't free. That shit ain't free. Chat. Freaky Freelance Friday, chat. Don't forget, chat, this book changed my life. I keep saying it on stream. You can watch it live on YouTube. Let's pick a chapter while we're waiting for the clock to spin. Let's pick a random chapter, chat. Alright. It pays to know how to purchase knowledge, chat. It pays to know how to purchase knowledge. Alden, we're on the same pop culture and music waves. Chat, don't forget, follow me on Instagram or you won't be able to claim the prize, eh? That's an important one because I need a DM of you on Instagram, chat. We're out here building stuff, so the idea is that the Instagram grows, obviously. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. Be sure that you got a Dollar Vibe Club account. Because if you don't, you won't be able to claim the prize, chat, and we get a respin. Alright, Alden, that's a promise. You got to post that in Discord then. Well, I would try to solve it directly with the support of Fiverr. And Avra, thanks for the tips, man. It helps to feel that when you get banned, you can get back there if you just follow the rules. Alright, chat, we got the Instagram follows coming in. Whoever's here and wants to win, don't forget, follow me or you get a respin, man. We're about to spin it. We got 7 more minutes, chat, and then we're going to end the stream. Drop some W's. Let's warm up the chat. And after this stream, chat, I'm going to start getting into the video editing for the vlog. Nice, I'm going to check that in a few. Facts, that's going to motivate. Nice. I'm going to check in a few. Let's get ready for the spinny wheel thingy, chat. Let's get ready for that spinny wheel thingy, chat. Alright, we might as well go ahead and spin it, chat. I think everybody's hot in the chat. Let me remove Hunter from the list, chat. Let me go to the admin. Let me just refresh the new members on Dollar Vibe Club so I can accept them. Alright, everybody's joined. Let me remove Hunter from the list. Hunter's gone. And it's time, chat. It's time. Are you ready, chat? I'm going to spin it on the admin and it's going to start spinning here. And if it doesn't, I'll have to reshare my screen. 3, 2. Let me first minimize my camera, chat. I'm being a noob. I hope it's a good one, chat. 3, 2, 1, spin the wheel, and be sure to be following me on IG. Or no claim the prize, chat. I'm sorry for that. Spin the wheel. Oh wait, it's not spinning here. Give me a moment. It's not spinning, chat. Let me log out here. One moment. I'm ruining the anticlimax, chat. I have to log in as admin here. I'm sorry for anticlimaxing it, chat. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We didn't spin yet, chat. Don't worry. We didn't spin yet. You're good. Let me log in as admin, chat. Keep dropping W's, man. Keep dropping some fire emojis. Warm up the chat out here. Alright, I'm logged in as admin. I'm going to the / spinny wheel. And we get to spin it here. One moment. Oh shit, why is it not allowing me to spin the wheel, man? Shit, chat, it's not allowing me to spin the wheel. Did I break this shit? Shit, chat, wait, because the music is stopped. Everything's going wrong. Vibe code alive, chat. Why am I not able to spin it? I might have to refresh it. Well, chat, I'm gonna have to reset it, so everybody has to just type a massive amount of W's to get back on the board. And that's okay, because you have to be in the chat anyway to win, so I'm not cheating anyway. But I'm gonna have to reset it, chat. That's kinda sucks, but it is what it is. This is a vibe code glitch. What's up with the concurrent viewers? Reset it, fuck it, chat. I have to. I'll remember that for the future streams. Let me reset it. Let me copy this link. Let me sync. Maybe I can use it. Nah. Okay, let's reset it, chat. Everybody has to start typing and like. No, liking not. You already liked. So you guys are all on it. Alright, so we got only the active viewers on it. That's good. It's going to make it easier to give the celebration, chat. Actually, we should do this every stream. Let me unlock it. OG chatters. Boom. We're back in action, chat. I'll give everybody 1 more minute to lock in. I'll give everybody 1 more minute to add their name to the board. Just start typing in the chat and your name gets added to the board. Sumo is just typing. Few seconds. It refreshes every 10 seconds. Wait till Sumo get on it. Napdev if you're here, Hunter if you're here, all type. I want to see if it's loading or not. Yeah, Sumo Flex is on it. Keep typing, chat. This keeps it fun as well, chat. This keeps the engagement good. Harsh is on it. Good. Less people. Well, if they're not in the chat, they don't win anyway, PR. So then we spin anyway. So this way we're sure the people are in the chat. Alright, chat. We're about to spinny wheel thingy. Let me know if everybody's ready. We got PR saying don't type. Fucking PR. Alright, chat. 3, 2. Facts. Is Facts on the board? Yeah, he's on the board. Forts on the board. I gotta make sure everyone's on the board that's chatting here. The Forts, yeah. Harsh on the board. Harsh is on the board. Pure motivation. Pure motivation's on the board. Let's go. Aura Intelligence is on the board. Aura's getting on it, yeah. Avra's on the board. Alright, Hallucination, let's go. 3, 2, 1, chat. Oh, wait, Johnny on the board? Yeah, Johnny's on the board. Alright, I'ma smash it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Pure Motion. Congratulations, Pure Motion. Congratulations. You're a new viewer that I've been seeing the last days in the chat. So congratulations to you, Pure Motion. Now, Pure Motion. Clap it up for Pure Motion. 2 questions. Are you signed up to the Dollar Vibe Club? I will check that right now if you have a Dollar Vibe Club membership. Dollar Vibe Club is free. So we have to find out. Let's see if Pure Motion has joined the Dollar Vibe Club. Alright, I'm not seeing it right away, Pure. So let me go back to stream. Pure Motion, you had to read the rules, man. Chat, what do we do? What do we do, chat? What do we do, chat? Chat gets to decide. 1, if we give Pure Motion the chance to join the Dollar Vibe Club now. Or 2, if we respin. I'll leave it up to you guys. 1, if we give him a chance to join now. 2, if we respin. What are we doing? I see loads of 2s, chat. I see loads of 2s, man. Joshua, PR, shout out to you guys. 1s. What do you think, chat? Pure Motion, are you sure? You don't mind, Pure Motion? I will give you a chance. You're new. I'll give you a chance, Pure Motion. If you don't need it, I'll give it to someone else. But if you really need it, I'll give you a break, man. I like your name as well, Pure Motivation. Do you need it or not? Tell me. Are you absolutely sure, Pure? Because I don't want to make you feel some type of way. Because I honestly think you deserve it. You choose it, Pure. Alright, chat. Pure doesn't mind. That makes it fun. We get to spin again. Pure, thank you. Pure, we're going to respin. 3, 2, 1. Rian Production. Rian Production, are you here? Rian, are you here? Do you need this Claude subscription? Yes or no? Rian, do you need the Claude subscription? Let me clap it up for you. At Rian, are you here? At Rian. Rian, yes sir, congratulations, you won it. Do you want the Claude subscription, yes or no? If yes, I have to check Dollar Vibe Club. Alright, are you signed up to the dollarvibeclub.com, Rian? Please don't say you're not signed up, please. Alright chat, we'll pass on the good vibes. Or should we do the same as we did with the motivation? More spin, chat. You have to follow the rules and join the dollarvibeclub.com, chat. What are we going to do, chat? Spin or scam? Spin or scam, chat? Follow the rules. I think we should follow the rules because we just made Pure Motivation follow the rules as well. And the rules are pretty clear on the website. No, Roberto, you're right on time because we're going to respin. We're going to respin. I'm so sorry, Riyadi. But we're spinning every day. You go to dollarvibeclub.com. It says, I say it all out the stream. It's free to join. And it's not just for the giveaway. There's a lot more there. More spins. Let's go, chat. Riyadi, congratulations. Send a ticket to Fiverr. Because Fiverr might give you the same good energy. No, it's not the Discord. It's the Discord, but we need the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. Rules are rules. We need to build the membership. That's why we're doing all this. Give back, give back. I feel you, Rian. No problem, man. You will have a chance to join next time. I'm sorry, chat. We got to keep it fair. Respin. Rules are rules. Let's fucking go. 3, 2, 1. Aldin! Aldin Nova is moderator, chat. Fair is fair. We did 3 spins, chat. I know he's a member. I know he's on Instagram. Aldin, just send me a DM on Instagram real quick to confirm the email. Congratulations, man. You've been waiting that for days. Congratulations, brother. Truly. Truly. Riyadi, pure motivation. Please join Dollar Vibe Club. We do this every single day. And maybe over the next few days, I'll be giving a $100 plan. But for now, we're giving out the Claude gift. $20 plan. Pro. 1 month. Next. We'll put it in pink today. No, I'm green. The name is Aldin, aka Nova. Email I'll fill in after off stream so we don't leak anything. Congratulations on winning the Freelance Friday spinny wheel thingy. Keep up the good work. Get that Fiverr in lock. In the next 8 months, let's make 100k. Alright, chat. Let me go to my other screen. Aldin, I'm just checking your email address as we speak. Give me a moment. And you need to just confirm it to me on Instagram. Let me check my Instagram. I need your Instagram. I'll check that. I'll check the pics after. Send me your email. Confirm that it's the right email so I send it to the right email. Now you got a login and you got the register page. So basically, I can't log out now, but when I go to incognito and you go to Dollar Vibe Club, here you got the registration chat. Login, register, login, register, login, register. Pretty straightforward. Here's the spinny wheel info chat, so the people on the stream see we're not capping. You must be, or respin, you must DM me on Instagram or no claim. Alright, I just got his email. Let me send the email chat. 1 moment. Let me send the gift card. I've just got on his email. Let me confirm it on Dollar Vibe Club. Great. That looks exactly the same. 3, 2, 1. Enter the email. Nova. Alright. Check out. Confirm my credit card. Let me go to Twitter here. Oh, I can't say my secret code. Chat, I almost said the code of my card. Let me confirm the payment in the mobile app, chat, so you ain't gonna be spending my money anyway, even if you get the code, chat. Okay, approve the order. Done. The gift has gone. Let me take a screenshot, chat. 1 moment. Alright, the gift is on its way. Let me blank out your name. Don't worry, chat. I will be doing streams earlier as well, so that everybody around the world gets a fair chance to win the spinny wheel thingy. Let me just cap out these emails a bit more. Alright, so let me save it. Let me open it here, post it on Twitter. Another day, another gift. Let's go. Alright. Chat, you can see it here, so I'm not capping. The gift has been gifted. Congratulations, Aldin. Let me check the... let me check the chat. Pure Aldin. The $100 plan is coming up real soon. Alright, thanks for everybody being good good competitors. Every day I'm doing this, chat. Every day I'm doing this. In chat, member confirm. Confirm. We've got 3 winners so far this week, chat. We only started this week. We got 3 winners. Aldin, congratulations for being the 3rd winner on the board. Chat, let me go full screen. Shout out to everybody in the chat today. A big shout out to Jacob. Jacob, I really hope he taps into what we said, and I really hope it makes it work. At the same time, I hope everybody that's complaining about Fiverr finds their way to put in the love, and Fiverr will love you back, chat. I promise you. I'm telling you, I've been doing this shit 25 years. My life really changed when I started doing Fiverr chat. Internet money is something that I could have never imagined when I was growing up, being 21, 25. I'm telling you, we've got 2-3 years and the opportunity's over, chat. Aries, shout out to you, man. We just gave another one away. Shout out to Aries, man. Yeah, and we got more things planned, PR. We got more things planned. I can't say it yet because it's all partner related. But thanks, guys, for being here every day, getting engaging. And last but not least, chat, have a lovely Friday. Peace on the streets. No fucking fighting. And keep vibe coding.